Dun, dun, dun. Another one bites the dust. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, everybody? And just welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Bow, bow, bow.
What?
Good morning, Rob.
What?
Boom, boom, boom.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, Zulu.
Mm.
Boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
And good morning, Carol.
What?
Good morning to you all. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Pa, pa, pa. Hey. I'm gonna tell you it's true. Good morning, everyone.
Boom, boom, boom. What? Another
Good
one
morning,
bites the
everyone. Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Another
Good
one
morning,
bites.
everyone.
Another one bites the dust. Boom.
Good morning. Who's ready to make some monies?
What is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Today's free game Friday, but not only that. Not only that.
We have a special guest.
We have a special somebody coming right here for you. His name rhymes with Sanner.
And that is what we do.
Hey, hey, hey. At your purple face.
His name rhymes with the wrong trader, but he's always right.
Oh,
That's pretty much it.
All right, guys, I'm here. Strong trader. I'm
Ha.
massive.
Good morning, Faquiz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, morning. No, Eric, that's multiple accounts. That is multiple accounts combined together, friend. I was in on that 600 break and I got wicked SL by how many points? 3 points. You love to say it.
Man,
You love to see it.
it's about to be a good day. It's a good day to have a good day. Today is free game Friday. So let's go through some analysis before we kick it off with Sir Good Boy Tanner. What?
Danners? Do you still trade options, Ace? Huh, what a great question. Imagine
Yes,
Ace not trading
I
options.
do.
Of course he does.
We even trade with Vanquish Prop Firm, who sponsored today's stream. So shout out to Vanquish. If you guys want to try out Vanquish, go over to Vanquish Trader, type in code PHUB upon checkout, and get the best discounts always. Does Ace still trade options? You tell me, considering we've already secured $15,000 in Vanquish payouts in less than 50 trading days. So some might say I've done it again. Some might say I've done it to win. Regardless, I've did it.
You've did it and you've done it. But have you won it?
Test, test, test. Hello, hello. I'm peeking.
You're picking what?
Oh, on your mic. You're already fixing.
I understand. Why? What is new? Alright, try again.
Test, 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 test. You're good.
Cool. Another one bites the what?
What is up? How are you doing? Thanks for holding it down on Twitch. I appreciate you.
No cap dizzle.
It's off the hizzle. Dun, dun.
Another one bites the dust. And another one. Ha! He's done it. Done to it. Joe Ivy. Well, everybody, if anybody here is new, welcome to the most transparent trading stream you'll ever see in your entire life.
Guys, who's gonna win the giveaways today?
That's a good question.
How should we run the giveaways today? Another question, right?
That's also another question. Who's gonna answer it?
Maybe one that bites the dust. Little boom, boom. Hey. Dun, dun, dun,
Another
dun.
one bites the what?
Guys,
Spin the wheel, ducks, marbles. Alright.
me and Mr. Vanquish are like this, and I send him all of the stickers and the gifts.
This.
So he wrote today's codes as Nati.
What?
Today's codes? You know how usually sometimes it starts with Prop Hub?
Mhm.
Today it starts with Nati because I've been bad with Mr.
Oh.
Vanquish.
You've been a bad boy.
We've been very bad.
I understand.
The one bites the dust. What?
I get it. Ducks, ducks, ducks.
All
Long
right.
duck races, though.
Let's go through some analysis super quick, guys. Okay, so obviously we are absolutely on the floorings as of right now. So we're basically in yesterday's accumulation a low range. I don't have it marked off because I only mark off things that occur on like weekly, daily, all that kind of good stuff. Let's remove my levels indicator just for now. But these are very key levels to be watching. So I'm going to just mark it off for right now or for today's session at least. But this little thing right here that we are cracking inside. Okay. That's only on our 30-minute. If we were to go to our hourly, yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Let's get a lot more mini skills here. Get more into the details. All
EA
right.
time.
So we do have that London. Was it London? Let's see. No, midnight. We do have our
London
midnight
lows low.
block low. So that's something to definitely watch out for. That goes all the way down to 28,464. Yesterday's wick comes all the way down to 43350. And then on Friday session, we actually came all the way down to 404ish, 405, give or take a few points. So those are key levels to be watching. We can have those marked as well. I'm going to delete these older ones because obviously we've already mitigated them. So let's go through Bing Bam. Perfect. And then Bing Bam. Cool. So these are two levels that we're going to be watching today if we continue to trek lower. In terms of our fibs, we did have something marked off yesterday for this upside target. I'm going to delete that and let's run through what it would look like for today's session. So going to take these highs, go from left to right, and let's see our given targets for today. So this is yesterday's session, which confirmed a lot of these levels. But that 236 actually aligns pretty perfectly with that low coming in from Friday session. So it's basically going to be full alignment. If we do see any upside, because we want to make sure that we have both depictions going on, I'm going to draw one off. It basically brings us straight to our 382. So we do have a lot of alignment with today's session. I would just obviously be careful. We are sitting just underneath our 618. So in technicality, this has already been breached, especially with it coming underneath that 786. So if I were to do a redraw, I'd probably anchor in from that most recent low and then go in with that most recent high, which brings us to 28,763, which is essentially going into yesterday's session high. So everything seems to be aligning. It makes sense in terms of all of the levels. And that looks like it's already going to be breached. So I'll have to do another redraw once it occurs. As of right now, our longer term view is significantly bearish. We are literally testing 28.5 as of right now. Let's turn on our levels and see what we can see.
I got London and Asia lows at 481.
Okay.
Are we gonna hold a 500 though?
So previous month low was actually right here at 520, which is going to align with that 786. New York afternoon low, obviously at 406. Asia low sitting at 481. So a lot of these bottoms we could only go in for a test. Previous week low, exactly what I marked off at 408. So this is why I like to have that indicator give me all of the levels for me. And then I showed you guys how to obviously mark those off manually. And then let's go on to my other chart, see how that is looking. We did get a trigger last night, and then had a nice little dip after a push of, let's see, 30 points, so nothing crazy. And the next thing you know, came all the way straight to my upper range which is my B50L. So that's all the way up here. You can see that full range. So it's my low of that session. Came up perfectly to it, got rejected, came in for the retest, obviously failed to break, and now we are back at this swing low. I think it's going to be very interesting to see today's session and how it treks along. Next week is FOMC as well, which you have to give a lot of substance to, really.
Yeah, and this week was literally like no news.
Yeah.
With no red folder news this week.
We had Trump speaking on Wednesday. Obviously, the whole straight thing and all of that is still going on. But other than unemployment claims, those were our only orange folders for this given week. So next week is going to be our big news week. Let's see how we can cap off this week, though. We've been hitting absolute bangers all week, even with user errors. All of my accounts are very much alive and well. The ones that had the big errors the first 2 days are just shy of break even. And then the other accounts are currently sitting at 51.8. So meaning 3 days of PDPT. I have one at 50.5. So basically 1 day of PDPT. I have a few of them at 50.5. And then, yeah, the other ones are basically fully recovered at 50K. So literally one is 50 cents or $50 shy. Another one is $2 shy. So fully recovered a lot of those mistakes. And we're actually green total. And that would actually be $8,441 green for this week, even after all of those insane errors. So excited to see where we go from here. Who do we have on stage, baby? Holy!
What
Who
is
that sexy
good?
guy?
The
What
man, the
is
myth, the
good?
legend is here on stage with us, guys, here at Prop Hub.
I'm already long.
What's up, Tanner?
Already covered with this long off the open right here.
Love it.
Need to
Ooh, he's
pull
cooking.
it up.
He is cooked.
Tanner,
What's
Tanner, I
going
need your
on?
calls. I'm red, Tanner. I need your calls.
Dude, I just took a Tory trade to be proud. I just took a Tory trade trend line bounce.
Let's go.
Just off the open. I have a runner. I'm just trailing tightly now.
Let's go.
If
I
get
heard you
trailed
like
a
it
little bit.
tight.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
Of course. What?
Man, how
Oh,
you been?
man.
It's been a minute
Good,
since
bro.
we've spoken. I know we chat a little bit through text and all of that, but give me the update on your life, man.
Dude, God, I've just been trading and lifting, man. Honestly, lifting's been going really good. I'm getting ready to compete in December. I know it's kind of a little bit of a ways from now, but my girl's doing a bodybuilding show in October. So I was like, oh, it's perfect. We can lock in together. So like, I'm gonna lock in for a powerlifting meet. She'll lock in for a bodybuilding show. But dude, bodybuilding is just way more work than powerlifting.
It's so
Like
intensive,
all
yeah.
her food, bro, that she does, it's fucking nuts, man. Like it's like I have so much respect for the woman because like she is just always dialed with the food and like it's great because she's always making me food too and like it's I'm always eating. Dude, this long is ripping. I wish I could. Can I share my
Holy
screen?
shit. Of course you could. Here. Pop that up,
Let's
baby.
see. Let's see how we do it.
As long as actually a ripper.
Yep.
Depending on this close, I'm probably gonna try continuation.
Here's my long. I already
Even
covered
higher.
one. This is NQ long off the open, basically from down here. I'm just trailing this now as it's kind of ripping higher here. I'm probably gonna even pull it up a little bit tighter. I normally don't trail this tight, but like we're pulling in a VWAP. We just overshot liquidity, and
Yep.
we're fucking pumping, dude. Let's keep
Ooh,
it going
on your
here.
live account too.
On the
baby.
live account, baby. On
Yes,
the live
sir.
account, dude. On the live account. So the idea
Love to
behind this
see
at the
it.
open was it just took me out there. Killer. $2,600 on that off the open. What a fucking banger, dude.
What a banger.
So I know you guys have your methods and whatnot. I look at a little bit of everything. I'm more of a key levels guy. So like what I'm really interested today is to see if we break 28,700 because that's been like that huge zone yesterday that just took forever to break
Yep.
through.
Oh man, don't even get me started with the 700.
Dude, yeah, I was such a fucking pain in the
Holy.
ass yesterday.
Yep.
But one thing at the open here, I just, I don't use trend lines as a strategy. So everyone out there watching me, like, this guy's about to talk about trend lines, but I see them, and when I see them and we're opening, especially a strong drive into it, I'm like, dude, this is probably gonna at least bounce to an extent.
Mhm.
So that's literally all I did here off the open. I was like, I saw this, and I was like, all right, if they're violently gonna rip it down here into the open, everyone's gonna have FOMO. All the bears are gonna be horny and chase this too early. And I'm just going to take the bounce back up into VWAP. So I literally took that right at the open here. And now I'll probably just chill, honestly, as long as I can. I want to see us eventually break low a day. I'm sure everyone does. If we do, on QQQ, there's a daily gap fill. So if we get that, I'll pull it up on my other screen so people here. If we get the breakdown, that's at least a little target that we can go for. But like right here, down here, this little box. Boom to boom. You're take this here, right? We got this little box to work with. So down here below, if we can get this, sorry, this is from yesterday's markup. But if we can get this breakdown here, this is a nice little gap fill we could target if we can get it, right? So we got to wait for lower day break. So basically, I'm just looking at the edges today, looking at that 700 and looking at the lower day break for potentially this gap fill. How is it going to happen, especially in the middle of all this fuckery? I have no idea. But yeah, we'll kind of go from there and see what happens. So,
Fucking love it.
Yeah. How are you guys, dude? How's the fires there?
Oh,
Oh, it
by
was
the way,
crazy.
I wore this shirt for you guys.
let's go. Fucking
I don't know
love it.
if it's backwards on camera. I don't know. If
No,
people
no,
can
no,
see
it's
it.
good, It's perfect.
Got Ed.
No, the fires were crazy. Like I didn't know until the day I woke up and I looked outside and the entire sky was just orange and then the moon was
Yeah.
red and I was like, what the fuck is going on? Is this an apocalypse right now?
Yeah, dude, literally.
It's literally what
I
it
saw
felt
that
like.
shit. It looked like that, bro. It's kind of scary.
Yep.
Yeah, it was nuts.
Yeah.
Man, this week in terms of trading, Tanner, I've never had so many user errors in my life. And it was
Oh, dude, that's me every week.
back to back to back. And I'm just like, okay, like eventually life is going to give me a little bit of a break here. Like, come on. I understand I'm sleep deprived. I'm freaking running on
Yeah, you got
stupidness right now.
fumes, bro. You got fumes going.
Holy.
Yeah.
But honestly, the accounts are still alive. Like, even after all of the mistakes, still trekking through, trying to hit PTs where I could if the accounts weren't fully locked. And you know what? I'm actually still green on the week. $8,441, even after stupid fuck ups. So
Damn, that's killer. That's
I'm
awesome.
happy.
This week, this week's been really good for me. Dude, I had that bang. Dude, yesterday was just knock on head, knock on wood, because that's usually how it goes. But entrepreneurship and life is ebbs and flows in general. But yesterday was a good day, just like a really good day overall. And I was like, I fucking crushed that trade overnight, made 20 grand on it. And then I deadlifted 700 yesterday. So I was like, dude, I just feel real. I feel
massive.
good.
That's actually
Holy
insane.
shit.
Yeah, so it just felt good. But of course, the next tilt day is just around the corner.
It really, yeah,
Unfortunately.
man.
So
You are preaching to the choir right now.
yeah.
It's so funny whenever like we say something, and like obviously we still make mistakes, even though we've been doing this for stupid amounts of years now.
Yeah.
And whenever we say something and people are like, man, I really resonate with that. It's like, yeah, no shit. We're all doing the same exact thing. We're all fighting the
dude.
same demons here.
Exactly. Like we all just try to do a little bit less stupid shit. Like that's all you can really work on, right? And like, dude, even like actively just like putting in time and effort and resources towards like fixing whatever it is, right? Like I just started seeing honestly, I just started seeing this therapist like in person because like I felt like the past couple months I've just been on tilt more frequent than usual. It has to just do with like stuff in my family and stuff. And I knew it was carrying over. And I was like, you know what? This is an investment. Just like coaching or mentorship is an investment. I was like, I found some like dude online that like does like solution driven shit, not just to like talk about my feelings. I'm like, all right, like what's the solution here, right? I'm still a man. Like I want solutions. And so I found that and I started going to him and it's been good so far. I'm like, all right, like I'm seeing some shit, gave me some good advice, just like even before the trading session, just to sit there and and just like deep breathe for like 2 to 3 minutes and like kind of like get yourself more calm. And I'm like,
I love
okay.
that.
And he's like,
It's
and
funny how
remind
you
yourself
deep
of
breathe.
what's up.
Well, so you're deep breathing before like the open. I'm heavy breathing because I'm just freaking stroking away, right? So
Exactly. You're just like,
I'm like, wind has been taken out of me. I'm like, man, here we are
Yeah.
again over at Prop
Yeah.
Hub using the wrong hub, but it is what it is.
The wrong.
Yeah, and I'm just awkwardly sitting over here and looking to my left. I'm just like,
He's like, what's going on here?
Like John's like, I guess I'm gonna have to just replace our lotion bottle that's right in between us. But like, sure.
Oh god. Dude, so far, nice rejection of VWAP, nice breakdown of this
Massive rejection. Yeah.
I'm
Tory
about to
trade
enter
trend
shorts.
line. It's looking pretty good. I
Yep.
love these kind of
Very potentially.
candles. I love these like these 1 minute hammers that just get fully engulfed. Like this
Yep.
is just a get fucked type of bar. So
Very true.
it's looking pretty heavy. VIX is still down 1%, which doesn't like make me super excited for the short. But we're getting it. INTC is dying. Ooh, SOX L is dying. Dude, have you guys been looking at that at all? The leverage
have,
ETF
yes.
for semis? Dude,
Yep.
that shit has been like a fucking
SMH and freaking all of that
Dude,
kind of good stuff.
yeah, that has been like a good proxy I've been using. Like literally, and it's
Oh, yeah.
it's like fucking annoying sometimes where like just whatever SOX L does or SMH or in general, QQQ does and NQ
Yep.
does. And so I'm like, what's the point of even looking at fucking Google and Tesla or an Apple if it doesn't
Mhm.
even do anything, bro? I'm like, this is annoying as shit.
It's
So I'm
funny
just
that you
getting
say
over
that
it.
because literally the last class that I did for my small group coaching. So I took 10 students and capped it there, Tanner, because I don't want to be
Mhm.
like shilling courses or anything like that. That's
Yeah.
not me. I don't need freaking mentorship money to try to flex and pretend
Yeah.
like I'm a good trader like all of these other furus, right? Like we've been in
Yeah.
the skin in the game for so long that if we could help a few people that are actually serious, then cool.
Mhm.
And so
yeah, we denied a bunch of people.
yeah, and the
you gotta
last
do.
class that I did was actually on sector analysis and market regime. So it's so funny that you brought that up.
Yep.
Like perfect alignment.
Yep. I mean, it's a thing, and it's what's crazy is a lot of people, a lot of these sectors too, like change and rotate, right? And that's kind of what
Yep.
you see. It's like because back, like a couple years ago, you could just watch Apple, and like whatever Apple did, like NQ did and QQQ did. And
Yep.
eventually, is like all these fucking, semis came into like such big scope, and everyone's watching these only. Like now, right now that's the current theme. And so it's just about like kind of finding that theme and sticking with it until it dies out. So, until it's broken, I'm just gonna keep watching this damn SOX L thing and just kind of watch what it does. So
Yep. Massive bounce off of your Globex lows, guys, right here. So if we can get underneath it, I drew it out for you guys this morning. The low there is 465.50. And then our 50% of that, so your CE is your previous month low as well. So that's at 520. We're staying inside of this range. I'm obviously not going to take anything, but underneath that 465, I will feel a lot more inclined to get into these shorts. Target previous day low, previous week low, that is under there at 432 and 408. Are they the most massive returns that I'm going to see? No. At the end of the day, we are trading prop firms. Therefore, you don't need massive R to Rs to get these payouts, which I feel like is what
You can share your screen now.
really screws people over.
agreed.
For real.
Dude, honestly, that's kind of why I've been
Non-transparency
liking
on that
the
deal
live
today.
account.
Yeah.
The
Oh,
live
yeah, 'cause
account
then-
because like I could be a little bit more. I mean, I was using like a $50,000 live account for a while, and then I was like, I don't
Mhm.
really need this much in it, to be honest. So I kind of been sitting around like 30 or 25. And so then anytime I break, like yesterday, I had the 20K day, so I was like, oh, straight to the bank, take that shit
Oh,
out, don't
100%.
fucking risk it. And so,
Yep.
but what I've noticed is it gives me a little bit more breathing room because like I can have a DLL of like literally like 4 to 5K, and like based on my stats, what I've seen, like I can recover anything below that pretty well most of the time. But
Mhm.
once it gets past 5, it's like that's when the slippery slope of tilt starts to set in, and I'm like, all right, dude, like I don't think it's worth it.
Yep.
But it's funny, I'm about to post a reel on this later about like like the math that people, because someone was in my DMs and they're like, I have a 70% win rate and a 1-to-1, but like like I don't know, like when I go on these losing streaks, like it's so hard, blah 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 blah. And I fucking hate all the math with it because yes, the math has to math, but the problem is all these nerds that talk about math with like specifically like I have this win rate and this and this and that.
Right,
I'm
right.
like, all right, well, I'm like, well, what side of the coin is it, right? Because if you have a 1-to-1 always, you need to be right a lot. And you have to be
Yep.
really
Yeah.
good at being right all the time. And if you're
Mhm.
not right all the time, then you're going to be really frustrated and it's really going to skew things when you have a little bit of a losing streak. Versus, you know yourself a little bit more like me. I'm a DGen. I'm going to take a few extra trades that I shouldn't be taking. I have like a literally 35% win rate, but for the math to math, I know I need to hold that shit and let it work. So
Yep.
2 Rs, 3 Rs, 4 Rs, 5 Rs, like that is really what it comes down to. So it's just funny, like when people always talk about these numbers, like, yeah, I don't get it. The math should be this and that and this. I'm like, but you're not making changes for it. You're not
Yep.
and you're not expecting just again human error, user error, just like you were talking about earlier. It's like that's what happens. Like we're gonna have user error.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we're humans executing, clicking buy and sell ourselves. So there's so many factors that people aren't considering. Even just slippage alone, that extra 2 to 5 points or 10 points, even 20 points, depending on the ATR, is massive in terms of skewing your information.
Yep.
Also, by the way, I
Agreed.
did just want to say Amar did just hit 200% play on
Let's
Microsoft.
fucking go.
Sick.
He's
dude.
been
Really?
loving Microsoft.
Yeah, dude, we gotta speak of Microsoft and some options. We gotta talk about some options today. I wanna
Oh,
get a
yeah.
banger on my Vanquish account.
Man, Vanquish has been paying me nicely right now, Tanner. Less than 47 days since you got me connected with them, or 47 trading days.
You've taken more payouts than me.
And I've gotten 15K in payouts already. It feels
I've
nice.
only taken 5, bro. That's awesome, man.
Five's
I
not
love it.
bad. Five's still banger.
Payout's a payout in general.
prop?
It's just like,
Yeah,
well, I
The
think
thing is, I
too,
feel
what-
like, oh,
I was just gonna say, I think it's like when we're splitting focus, it's like that's what kind of gets difficult,
That-
right? 'Cause
yeah,
you got to execute over
exactly.
here, you got to execute over here, and like that
Mhm.
sometimes can get skewed. So
ooh, there is my short criteria. If we can get that close.
Pasta said, I'm close to like 10K right now on Vanquish and payouts. Not close to ace yet, but working on it.
like yeah,
He's a troll, by the way, Tanner. He 1000% is not anywhere close to 10K.
And he doesn't even have a Vanquish
Yeah,
account.
he's literally
love
here
it.
to chill. Like he just
I
chill.
love
He can trade. He just loves
I
our
love
vibe. Oh man. So we didn't get that close, guys. Obviously still
Was the
holding
pop.
up, testing. Yep.
Maybe
Done.
we'll get a retest of like the 500s and then another rejection for a move back
Yep.
down. That would be ideal.
I kind of want to put a limit at like 517 for a short. Kind of liking it.
I like that
like
area. Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. See, here's the big push. Let's see how aggressive and horny they are to push this.
Dum-dum-bum. Guys, shout out to Vanquish who has sponsored today's stream, giving you guys 10 accounts. Tanner's going to be giving away 5. I'm going to be giving away 5. Make sure to use code STRONG, STRONG, and code PHUB. Always.
Mhm,
It will always forever give you the best discounts. Whichever is the first one you guys think of that day, make sure to just use it, rip it, and help your boy Tanner, help Prop Hub, and yeah,
Bro,
I mean,
also shout out to Amar. He started his second small account challenge with options a week ago, and he's up 127% on the account in
Yep.
1 week.
there was that test of
Fire.
500, and it looked
I
like
did take a stab at that short on my. I
Yep.
have a Lucid Max eval. I didn't really
Love
want
it.
to. Oh
There
man,
we
dude,
go.
what a
I'm
fucking.
triggering in, guys.
Oh shit, bro, this is beautiful. What a
Beauty.
fucking reject.
Yep.
Damn, I'm just
There we
dialed
go.
today on this, bro.
Already.
Holy shit.
Holy. And that was previous day low and previous week low getting tapped. You guys can see to the tick my fib getting touched.
They
right there.
love touching you to the tick, dude.
Oh man, don't even get me started.
Zonk, don't worry, I missed that shit too.
I'm actually
It was
about to
fast,
enter in
bro.
a little bit more, funny enough. So I like adding into winners, as you guys
Same.
know. Averaging down, what the fuck is that? feel like you're just making an excuse. There we go already, guys. All right, trimming
There we
out
go,
two.
dude.
What a banger, holy.
And Beauty, there it is again with another
Holy
test.
shit.
Beautiful add-in. What is going
Oh
on?
my god, beautiful.
Beautiful fucking add-in, guys. And there we go. You guys can all see it live.
Wow,
Moving my SL
love
up
it.
or into profits. Just allowing this thing to breathe now.
People are printing. That's fire.
Oh,
I don't know
Dude,
why
I just,
for me. your
I just
stream
sniped the
isn't
shit out of that on my this lucid
Yep.
eval, like right to TP instantly.
We called it too.
3300.
Test
Yeah.
the 500.
We literally
nice
just we
slide
called
down.
that. We're like, yeah, retest the 500 area. Dude, that's where
Beauty.
the trend lines come in, help, you know, a little bit. Retest the trend line and it comes back down.
And it's so funny how like we always talk about it as traders, how like people have so many different strategies, but a lot of the times it's just gonna align. Right. So like you were using trend lines,
Oh,
I was using accumulation ranges, and next thing you know, perfect alignment between both of them gives us the same exact entry criteria.
Mhm.
Yo, reset your screen share, because some people can't
Not
see
working.
it too. I mean, it's not working for me either.
How about now?
All right, I see it now.
There we go, guys. There's the
Finger.
slide.
Dude,
Over
this thing is
100 points
fucking
now.
ripping down.
And I am just tightening my stop.
Holy
I'm literally
shit, dude,
trailing price. Just
bleeding.
got out
What a
right there.
dumper.
Boom. We are currently up $4,673 already with our boy Tanner. That is your
Let's go.
618 extension from your OR15 as well. So, man,
Watch
we do
this. Watch
shit.
this gap fill scenario like talked about in the beginning. So
Yep.
Q's down to 683. I don't know what this lines up with on NQ. I think it's gonna be the 200s maybe around there.
Love
But
that.
I'll keep you guys posted on this gap fill on where we're at. We're at 686 on QQQ, and the gap fill is to 683. So we got 3 points solid. I am short on Vanquish right now. Some QQQ options.
Let's go. And which
Let's
account do
see.
you run? Do you like the advanced? Do you like the basic?
I only do the advanced, bro. Honestly, I
Fair.
don't like intraday trailing drawdown anything anywhere.
Yep.
It's just not my thing. I'm
That-
just sick of that shit, bro.
I actually completely understand.
Yep.
Yeah. So this is a nice fucking tier. What a fucking bleed, bro. The problem is I got in a little too late on this on Vanquish, so I might have to cover and look to get back in later. I just feel like
Well,
it's a
down
little bit-
250 points from that, or 150 points from that 500. Pretty banger.
Such a banger.
Yeah,
Let's see some
super nice.
testimonials in chat. Who printed? Let me see some screenshots.
Ba-dum-bum-ba-dum.
Well,
Dude,
Mars
I love when a Friday goes like this. It's like literally a one and done at the open, and
Yep.
just now we can just sit here and fuck off.
For real. And
The
oh,
best.
there we go with Vanquish, guys. Currently up $500 flat. Set my limit. Man, shout out Vanquish. Come on.
Shout out Vanquish indeed.
Yo, Tanner,
Yo,
when are we going on vacation again?
oh man, I've been traveling a lot, dude. A lot.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I did the whole first part of this year. Every month I was gone somewhere somehow. Some of it was obviously
remember
for
you
work
went to
stuff,
Japan.
but dude, yeah. So I mean,
looked
we
dope.
went to. God, I'm trying to think back. So January, I bought my car, bought my G80. February, I just went down to like San Diego for like staycation with my girlfriend. March, we went to Colombia in March, right? Was that in March?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, I went
That
to
was
Colombia in March. And then also before Colombia, I went to Miami. Went to
Oh, yeah,
Miami, then
remember that.
Colombia. This thing is fucking bleeding, by the way. This gap fill
Yeah, it's
thesis
dying.
is looking like it's gonna do it. So to Miami and then Colombia. And then April, I went to Japan and Korea.
Oh, you
then-
went to Korea too?
Yeah, we went to Korea too. It's
Oh,
like if I'm
shit.
gonna go to Asia, bro, like I'm gonna, the whole point initially was just to go to Korea because one of my buddies lived out there. But me and my girlfriend we had never been in Japan. And I was like, dude, I'm not going to fucking Asia without going to Japan. You kidding me? And dude, honestly, Japan was like amazing, bro. Like literally, it's so funny. You always hear people say like, "Oh my god, yeah, Japan's awesome," but until you go, like, you don't understand how awesome it actually is.
Yeah.
because just the food, dude, and the culture, and like it's just unreal. Like I literally like I'll sit at my phone sometimes at night just looking at pictures from Japan, and I'm like, oh man, dude, I just want to go back there and just fucking and just eat, bro. Like just the food is just so good. Oh my gosh. Um, yeah.
Yeah, I
So
definitely want
travel.
to go
Yeah.
to
So went
Japan.
there. That was a lot. And then in May, what did I do in May? Went to Vegas in June.
Any reclaims of 350, by the way, guys, I need to close. But I will be taking a little bit of a reversion. Nothing crazy. Literally, I'm talking 30 points. So obviously make sure to size appropriately, make sure to have a good stop, all that kind of stuff. But that's with a reclaim of 350. That first target is only 30 because that's where your ADR low is. So that's where um, institutions will like to place a lot of our ranges for the given session. Anything past that, we're just talking about deviations and how we want to trend lower throughout that session. So it doesn't mean that, oh, hey, we're going to reclaim ADR and stay within that range. That's not how the market works. But nice little level to work off of, which it did get that test of 350, but no dice so far.
Damn,
Yeah,
so
I feel
Tandy,
like
you've literally been on a trip every single month this year.
yeah, pretty much every month. And so I was just kind of burnt out, dude. Like literally it's just unlimited travel. And it's awesome. I'm not complaining about it at all. Like I love traveling, dude. It just I looked at my bank account and I'm like, dude, where's all this money I've been making from trading? It's like I spent it all on vacations and a car and like this and that. So it's
Hey, you only
like
live
oh
once,
shit.
but you'll always make money, period.
Yeah,
Money
that's
will be
true. And
made.
I don't got a baby yet or anything. So it's like
Yep.
it's like what else am I supposed to do but besides to go fuck off and take trips, to be honest.
True.
So, you know,
I want to go to China also. I want to go to China and Japan.
that'd be
My
gnarly,
sister
dude.
in law is Japanese. There's that 350 again.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
In a big 2-minute bounce here. See if we can retest the top of this gap up here, like in this
Mhm.
350 zone.
Is you entered the longs?
I have entered in a bit late, but yeah, nothing.
Let me know
too
when you get out of the long so I can go short again and look for this whole gap fill. Serious though.
I got you. I mean,
And
hey, the
Amar
shorts
on
still
Google.
look sexy as shit. The shorts
Yeah.
are definitely sexy as shit.
Bro, all the premium people are printing. Amar hit 200% on Microsoft, and he's up 108% on Google right now. It's cooking.
Oh,
Small account challenger going crazy.
Get a retest of prior day low.
dun, dun, dun,
It's
dun,
too far, baby.
dun, 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 dun,
Mm,
dun, dun. Yeah,
like
these
it's a
shorts
little
are still
far.
sexy as shit.
Yeah, basically we just bounced to the top part of that gap fill. So like we're in the gap fill right now trying, and like we just bounced back up towards the top of it, like the start of it, and we're
Mhm.
rejecting, which is right around that 350 area you had. So I'm like, I'm gonna see
Yep.
if we get a little pop above that and then a fail back below. And then I'm gonna look to enter short on my Vanquish account.
Another one bites the dust. What?
410. Love to see a little bounce. But if not, then the shorts are still in trade. And honestly, if I do get tapped out, guess who's still going in short?
Ace, how's
Understand.
how's dad life, bro? How many hours of sleep you got?
Oh man, sleep is non fucking existent. My body is shot.
bet.
My CNS is fried. My adrenal glands are ridiculous. I just got tapped, by the way, guys, and this thing could continue. Don't get me wrong, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm just beat up over here, and I think that's why a lot of those errors were occurring as well. It's just
Sure.
because I wasn't double checking what I do usually do in the mornings and all that kind of
Yeah.
stuff. But hey,
Yeah.
there it is again.
Sleep, dude, when you're sleep deprived, it just fucks everything up.
Yep.
That's why Vegas.
I'm not
That's why
gonna lie.
Vegas loves people that don't have sleep, and it's, the city never
Exactly.
sleeps.
There
because
it is, guys. There's that
that's
pop
their edge.
re-entered
Okay.
after getting tapped, just because it came all the way back up. So back into the green,
Hmm.
but that just went shy of that 80s, 3 points shy. So that is considered mitigated for me. It's also our 50% of our OR 15. Would love to see 400 to 410. That would give me a lot more confirmation. There it is. So dragging my SL up now as opposed to trimming. Got tapped already. This is whack. We're gonna get volatile here for sure.
aggressive. Yeah, we
Yeah.
got some
Mhm.
volatility. I did enter short here on Vanquish.
Nice.
Sizing appropriately though, so just in case I'm completely wrong, and this is just the
Mhm.
spring that springs all of the springs. So that's a cool thing about Vanquish. I was talking about this on a reel the other day, where like with futures, like yeah, you know how much you're sizing and stuff based on your stop loss, this and that. But like the cool part with options, especially if you trade zero DTE, is like if I buy $1,000 worth of contracts, like the most I can lose period is 1,000, and that's if
Yep.
you full degen it until the end of the day and it goes to zero.
And have zero stop
You
loss.
know, you have no stop loss at all or nothing. So
Expire worthless.
yeah, so I just hopped in 2K of some options here, but that gives me a little bit of
Nice.
breathing room at least. So we'll see if we get the short continuation for the gap fill.
Ooh, there it is.
Mm.
Previous week low is at 410, guys. 410. 408.
410 though. Oh, that's probably a really good,
408.25.
a really good spot to get
Mhm.
involved.
Nice little capture. It sucked that I had to take us out the first time. Obviously, I was really tight. But
10 a.m.
it is what it
10 a.m.
is.
reversal. That's what it was.
Yep.
This thing 400.
We are still
soon.
killing it this week.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say honestly, Ace, it's impressive that because you had so many user errors, and it's impressive that you actually stayed green through all of that.
Oh, I know.
That was ridiculous. It was like almost every day.
Every single day, other than one day. I
Yeah.
had like Wednesday that gave me a little bit of break. Yesterday I had another user error. Thankfully, it was only on one account. And if this thing goes underneath 350, guys, that was a beautiful retest, and this thing could continue to shit.
Yeah, I think
It
it's
was
just,
funny. Even my dad asked about it. He was like, "Why was Ace so angry this morning?" And I had to explain to him how copy trading works and how it could cook you.
There we go. So
Yeah.
entered into those shorts, like I said, underneath that.
Soxel's
350.
getting fucking shit. Soxel new low a day here, which is probably going to
Okay, I'm in
drag
the
this
short
thing
with
back
you.
lower.
Let's see. Needs to hold underneath that 350. Otherwise, that 410 is essentially going to have to be my SL, which is significant, decently loose, but not really. If you're sized appropriately, 70 points is just an average candle. Some days. Bum bum bum.
Nothing wrong with average, bro.
Hey, nothing's wrong with smaller than average, right?
When you think about it, average is actually pretty big.
Oh,
If you really
100%.
think about it.
100%.
It's all about perspective, right? Right,
True.
chat? It's all about perspective.
Very true.
Dude, how are we gonna do all these giveaways? Also, so many.
We're gonna run some duck races.
Oh, 100%. Also,
I love duck
took
races.
that short on Vanquish, and again, trimming off. We are also green on futures. Do what you guys got to do. At the end of the day, this is never financial advice, and you guys got to do what you guys got to do. I just show you guys what I do, and at the end of the day, make your best decision.
How many ends of days do you have? Ever think about that?
What?
Ever
At
think
the
about
end of
that
the
one?
day.
At the end of the day?
At the end of the day, slay away.
My duck better be on point today. Fuck, your duck did pretty good yesterday.
Ooh, a little pop there.
Yep.
Let's see if I can recover these lucids. Otherwise, today's gonna be a DLL day, which is okay. Not a big
That is
deal. 3
completely
PDPTs in a row.
Ooh,
They're gonna
another,
wait till this.
another
Huge
retest.
sucky.
Yep.
Try to wick fill this. Consolidation. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah. Do not want to see this above 380. That was the level I had given you guys prior. Obviously, it's working wonders right now in terms of trying to pin price, but we will see. She is consolidating between these two ranges.
We're just testing ADR low. See if we can smash through it. Hopefully not.
D4. B.
I had a rough day at work yesterday. Started at 10 a.m. and came back home at 2 a.m. Holy.
Oof.
Sounds like a prop up day.
We're definitely
insane,
trying
though.
to bounce it here.
Yep.
I don't know. Just not fully convinced.
I mean, for a recovery, these candles look kind of mid.
Yeah,
like
but
struggling.
that's how they get you.
It's true.
And then you get a random ripper.
And then Trump tweets, "Oh, they took the Hormuz back." I'm just kidding. No, we did.
I don't know. It's a day like today, like follow through. We got the break of Friday low. Again, this gap fill idea I really like. I can't. I just feel like this is going to see through, especially since
Is
we're
it
already so deep
currently
into
in
it.
that gap, or how much?
It's in. So we're retesting the top of the gap right now. This
Okay,
is a good
nice,
area
nice.
to hopefully, if this rejects, this is confirming like they want to keep it in the gap and then come back
Right.
down and fill it.
There's that 350 test again, guys. Really, really consolidating here, and
I think whatever side it chooses, though, it's gonna rip.
yeah,
in that
100%.
direction.
Yeah.
Do you show your executions? Look at the screen share. You can see all the executions.
Full execution, full everything. So we are in a short, and I'm gonna have to exit out half of this position, I think, just so I don't stay over leveraged.
Yeah. Because they're wick filling now.
Yep. Yeah, I just filled myself. To cut. Let's.
Let's
Another one
see.
bites the dust. What?
Yeah, they're buying up
400
Soxel.
test. We need to flip like from here, pretty much.
Yeah, literally. Well, we have prior day low right above that could be
Yep.
retested. So it's like it's not dead yet. If we retake prior day low and retake VWAP, then we might be in a different narrative here.
I got tapped out of that. Here we go.
Let's see. How's the 15? The 15 looks pretty strong. Here's a retest of prior day low.
Yeah.
Pull off a snipe for real.
I put myself back into the red for right now, guys.
A little tricky. Too much momentum. Too exciting.
Issue.
Mhm.
That's how they always get you, though. When everyone gets excited, the momentum is
Yep.
too much there.
Too momentum-y.
Too momentum-y, yeah. But here's the real test: is just prior day low. Let's see if we can keep negating this.
Did have a little reclaim now of that previous week low again at 408.25.
Oh yeah, the 420 level. Everyone knows that's a good one.
You gotta blaze it.
Blaze it.
Gotta blaze it. But the degen part of my brain is getting tickled because I'm so close to DLL. Now I'm just trying to look for a snipe.
It happens, man. Beautiful bottom right there.
Yeah, it's like the way this bottomed is
Yeah.
the classic sus bottom.
There we go. There's our previous day low getting tested right there. If we can get the full reclaim underneath previous week low, head underneath 395 is going to be my level to be watching out for. I will be back to shorts. So obviously you guys can see I don't marry any direction. I kind of just give whatever the chart gives me. So even though I initially had said 350 and then a nice little rip, obviously she came back down, tapped me out, and then try to flip sides on that momentum. Obviously did not work out. And here we are.
Here we are.
Here we are once again.
They might do one more pop, and you got VWAP right above. And if that gets, maybe that can get retested and fail.
I don't want to put a limit at like 450. I think that could be a pretty good if we get
There
there.
we go. I want to see if we can get under 395.
Yeah, I know this is tricky. It's tough. I mean, they're really trying to buy it here. Still trying to hold
Yeah.
on.
Main thing for today, guys. Obviously, you guys can see I'm now flat, but don't always feel like you have to be in a position. I feel like that's where a lot of people fuck up. It's like as soon as the market
Mhm.
opens, you guys force a position of whatever is at the forefront. Let it paint a picture for you a little.
The setups will come. Like
Yep.
literally, it's like you just got to let it come to you, and especially if there's like good price action behind what you're looking for. Like literally this morning, that random long I took off the open. Like I saw that trend line and stuff. It's again, it's not my normal thing, but I was like, all right, well, if they aggressively sell into this at the open, I'm gonna look for this little teeny bounce. And then sure enough, I was able to take that.
Failed our previous day low. I need it underneath previous week low as well.
Yeah, I don't know if
for
I'd say it's
that
a full
alignment.
failure.
Just testing.
We're still buying up Soxel, so it's not really good for shorts.
But
Let's see.
Boom, another payout, $900 yesterday and $12.50 today on TPT. WCT.
let's fucking
Nice, brother.
Really printing.
there we are.
Come on. Bleed it
She's
back
getting
down, dude.
wakey. Yep. She's
The
getting
Bears are
wakey.
here. Come on.
I am going to enter a very small position on my Vanquish 687 Ps, guys. Staying at the money here. Nothing too.
Like you saved that GIF. Pub production. Dude, that would be me if I was on like a shit ton of gear.
Hold on, I have one GIF. It's my favorite one. I gotta find it. It was from the last time you were on.
Yeah, that's what your production team just posted in the chat.
No, I got another one. I got a better one.
Okay.
Dum, dum, dum.
I'm nervous.
This is a good one.
Post.
Look at that bounce, guys, off that.
I know this is
395.
looking pretty bouncy. I
Oh.
don't know if we're gonna get any continuation here. Oh my
That was
god.
hilarious. I fucking love that.
Dude,
I
why'd they make
fucking
A so
love
small?
I mean, compared to you, man, when I was standing beside you in Colombia, I'm like, bro,
Dude,
I
you're
actually
fucking
feel
you're
small.
big, bro. Like
I'm-
literally,
I'm
like everyone was like, I saw you. I was like, dude,
small.
wait, what? Oh man, they're cooking here.
Yep. They are cooking. So if we can get back above 465, which is the level I gave this morning, the longs are actually still going to be
Yeah, this
valid,
is
unfortunately.
interesting.
But
So we are just about to flirt with New York VWAP on Qs.
mhm.
So let's see if this gets rejected or not. How's the bigger time frames looking? 30. Everything just looks like potential reversal bars. 30, 15. What else? Hour, same thing. We need a stuff here. We need a wick fill to the downside.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
See, the problem is I don't know if your chat's ever trolling or not. So not available says I'm sorry. What's VWAP?
Yeah,
I don't know if it's
100%
trolling.
trolling.
Okay.
Yeah.
The socks out with the big rejection here, pushing back down. That might give us this wick fill.
I am green on Vanquish right now.
Oh, he
What
said I said
VWAP?
what VWAP?
There we go, guys. There's a little slide.
Yeah,
that
we're
is
getting a nice
underneath
nice
that
push down here on
395.
Soxel.
Yep. Pretty sexy. Triggering in, guys.
Too bad I didn't do it.
Come on, let's rinse anyone that's long.
There we go.
This is the gap
There
fill
we
day.
go.
Fill the whole
And
gap.
guys,
Come all the
on
way down.
Vanquish. Come on. We just ripped it on Vanquish.
Executions or just see him sell and buy? What?
I don't know what that means.
What does that mean?
Pretty sure that's exactly what execution
That's
is.
what
hey,
it is.
Like you see the entries and the SLs and the TPs and the trims and the
You know,
condas. And the
I
sizes
feel like it
and the-
almost would be more work
Confused.
to fake executing. Like sometimes when people are skeptical, they're like how can you go about doing that? That seems like more work to like fake it.
Yeah.
I don't even get what that means. No,
No, but
like
now
for
we're
this
confused.
decade.
Oh, there we go, guys.
Nice.
There
That's what we
they are.
want.
Underneath that 350 is
what
exactly
we
what I
want.
wanted. I'm gonna have
Yeah.
to do my stop
Green.
in.
Let's go. That 450 short was a snipe.
All right. Came back,
Wish I
made
was in,
some
though.
of those losses back.
Give
Let's
us
see
this
what else
fucking
we can
gap fill,
do.
dude.
Holy shit, my Vanquish is absolutely
What?
all right. You guys want to pay out? You guys want to pay out on fucking stream with
Oh,
our sponsor?
Big dog. What'd you
guys
get in like
wanna
100
pay out on
contracts?
stream? You guys want to pay out on stream? So once I have enough buffer, Tanner,
You just fucking
I-
ripstick it.
I push it all the way up to 20.
I love it. Fucking love it.
20s. Oh wait, I do have one for a trade quantity of 30 as well. You know, I
Got
can't
it.
cap here.
Bro, I'm still confused about JoJo. He said executions or just see him sell and buy, and then he said no, like for this decade. What does that even mean?
I don't know. I'm gonna ignore now. I'm sorry. I can
Dude,
only handle.
MU's bleeding. Everything's start. Okay, here we go. Soxcel's trying to
Yep.
come back to these lows. It's looking good. And there, see, there was
still
the
like it.
prior day low, the prior day low
Yep.
reject thesis that we
Exactly.
said.
Bye, Miss Carol.
Dude, we literally call this out as it's like before it happens. Like it can't get more legit.
Let's see
than
if we
that.
can breach through this previous structure lows now.
Mm-hmm. Break that 300.
Yeah. If it does, I'm going in on this trade. Oh,
Soxcel, huge bids here at 140. Giant wall about to break down. Oh, they lost it.
There we
Let's go. It's gonna
go.
sink. It's gonna sink.
see it.
Dump it,
See
baby.
it.
Fucking
Let's
shit on
see
it. Fucking shit on it. Give me the whole
Come
gap
on.
fill.
Test of that 300. And we do have a full extension of our 15-minute orb, guys. So full deviation right at 294.50. Went 5 points shy of that, which would be considered mitigated. But hey, with this much momentum, look at that full displacement all the way back down. It took a lot longer to get up to that previous day low than for it to come all the way back down. So curious to see where we actually go from here.
I think they're gonna slowly just drift it down and fill this
Mhm.
gap.
As soon as we just close below that 300. 2-minute ATR is 55. Yeah. Pretty aggressive. Well, it's like 48 for me, but still. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Look at the screenshot from the. Look at that prior day low rejection, dude. It doesn't get sexier than that. And this is the gap fill I was talking about. This little box right below that 686 is. So we're back into that gap, and it goes down to 683. So see if we can get it. Slowly drift.
Another one bites the dust. Hey. Might get a little pop before going lower.
Yeah.
380. What was your level before?
380.
380, yeah. I see
380
it too.
to 395.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're just going to digest this slowly here, and it's just going to trickle down. But what do I know?
right? We just do whatever.
What do you know? You just printed. That's all I know.
What do you know? You're just printing.
I get double bottomed out.
Chat, make sure you guys stay until we're done trading because we have a bunch of giveaways.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of duck races
A lot of duck
to run.
races.
Let's see this continuous rejection here. I don't like that subtle little overshoot sweep. I really don't.
Yeah, me too.
I'm really not a fan of that, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Yep, there is that 380.
See what we do.
376.
800 to pass my first Vanquish. Good shit, Jay. Almost there. Almost there, brother.
Oh man.
I might get stopped here.
Yeah.
Yep.
They did some fuckery on that.
That was fuckery for real.
This is where I want to stay objective and just be like, all right, are we still under prior day low? That's kind of what I'm watching. I
You
got
guys
some
can see.
breathing room.
DLL for me actually. Negative
Ooh.
1200, which is fine. It is what it is. We killed it this week. And I'm green on Vanquishes.
Yeah, you're really green on Vanquish. That's just killer.
Yeah, I know. Can I add Vanquish over to my trade sinker? What's going on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What do you got running right now on Trade Sinker? What props?
I got 3 props. I got Apex, PA. So they're all funded.
Mhm.
I don't like skewing the info with evals, which everyone always does.
Yep.
Yeah, so we show like full account numbers. You guys can obviously see right here. We're on Lucid Directs. That's on the screen. And then we have Tradeify Lightnings as well.
That full reclaim.
Real.
I know. I'm gonna probably stop out of this too. This is way too much of a reclaim for me. Not a fan.
Kind of aggressive.
And I fucking hate when they do that. They barely tick below and then they instantly eat it back up.
Yeah. $420 rejection, potentially.
That's
Tanner, you know about the 420 psych level?
Yeah, just permanent. 420-69.
It's real.
Yep.
420 is a real psych level. I'm telling you.
Watch, this is literally like just a structural lower high here. Right at 420. Blazing.
That's all it is. Now we just gotta blaze it
Where's
back
my
down.
pen? Let me get my joints.
Wait.
Wait, is this gonna happen?
Guys, wait. What just happened?
What just happened?
I think the the trading peoples up there had just blessed my account.
What happened?
On Vanquish, what did you
Trade Sinker disconnected my Tradeify after the first loss.
No
So
way.
your Tradeify still chilling?
Yeah.
Let's go. That's always a good feeling.
Watch, this is gonna nuke down from 420, and now Tanner's gonna add that to his confluence. He's gonna start talking, yo, the 420 level shorted it, fucking printed.
Dude, maybe.
The DLL? No, like it completely removed it. I just went on my trade sinker right now. It was showing the negative, but I'm like, negative 14K doesn't actually make sense if I'm down 1,200 across 15 accounts. The math doesn't math. And so I looked at my trade sinker, and it literally says that those Tradeifys are still at -5.
Yo, Tanner, chat's asking, do you hit blinkers?
No, not
Good question.
anymore, bro. I can't do that shit. It gets me too high. I smoked weed for like 15 years, dude. 16 years. I used to be a huge stoner in college. Gosh, I was dabbing all the time and taking mokes every day and fucking all that stuff. And then I was like, dude, you know what? This makes me way too lazy during the day. I still enjoy smoking
Yeah.
like at night when I actually want to relax and chill, but like I want to be stimmed out during the day. I want coffee. I want pre-workout. Like,
Mhm.
you know, it was just the opposite. So, but before bed,
Yeah, I don't know what before bed.
Call me crazy.
What?
Like, call me crazy. Triggered short sucks the fuck up.
instantly sucked it up, dude.
Instant sucked it up.
Instant, bro. Call me crazy. Yeah, you are.
Yeah,
You are
dude.
crazy. Put the stop at 420, dude. I'm right above
That's
that bar.
literally what I'm doing. 425.
Yeah, fuck that.
Bro, by the way, ES just made new high of the day.
Yeah, whatever.
couple minutes
Fuck,
ago.
dude. I don't even trade ES anymore, bro. Like, NQ's
never
its own.
traded ES.
Honestly, what I've learned, NQ and YM are their own beasts doing their own thing, and so I just let them do their thing, and I don't even trade ES because like I don't know. I just don't. I'd rather trade the individual ones that actually have movement on ES. So
Yeah. No, I don't trade ES, but I do like it when ES and NQ are, holding hands.
yeah. Unk's getting too old for blinkers. I love that. Colton said, "I'm sure you are, but you're part of the 1,000-pound club." Oh, brother. Yeah, my best total is 1740 actually. This in January. I'm going for 1800. 1800 club.
is insane.
That's what I'm going for in December.
1800 is a PDPT on a 150K. It's kind of nuts.
Yep, 1800. I'm gonna pull up my deadlift from yesterday. Show you guys.
Pull it up.
I gotta find it.
Did you see the story Ace posted in the gym today?
Yeah, I did. Send it to my computer.
Man, I haven't benched in a while, Tanner. So I've been going to the gym, especially with the baby. I try to go on weekends when I can, like if I can catch a free moment with the newborn. But for most of the point, we go to the gym right before we head to the office, and we do in like a quick session. We're talking like 30 minutes,
Yeah.
40 minutes, whatever we can really squeeze in. So I remove the big three because obviously that takes a lot of time.
So
in between
long,
sets to
dude.
recover. Yeah, so it's like all accessory work. Man, today benching felt so weird. Missed grooves all over the place. Even just with 2 plates, I'm like, I know I could do way more than 2 plates. Even on my worst day, I could hit 2 plates. So I'm
Yeah.
like, all right, let's just see what we can work up to. I hit 275, fully missed groove. Then I look at Rams, the production, and I'm like, this is not going to go well. Let's just throw up 300 and see if that moves. It moved, and it moved better than the 275. I'm like, yeah, this is how you know it's just a technique thing right now because I haven't benched in forever.
Yep. I mean, dude, bench is the number one thing that, like, I could not deadlift probably for like a whole month, and like, I wouldn't lose that much strength on it. I wouldn't lose that much technique on it. But bench, you skip like a couple sessions, and like everything tanks.
Mm-hmm.
So you need more frequency with bench. It's just kind of how it works.
And it's crazy because the more frequency for me, the more my freaking rotator cuffs will get shot.
Yeah, I mean, you
Yeah,
just gotta
Drew
probably
just said,
tone
like, the
down
most
volume and
relatable
do.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said my shoulders are way too fucked.
Yep.
That's the most annoying thing when you know you can do it and go heavier, but then your shoulder is just like, nah, you're not doing
I'm
it.
green. Oh my gosh, Ace, you've did it again. Wow, holy shit. $50. What are we gonna do with that?
Dude, you're
And
rich.
just like that, I'm red. Obviously, I'm joking, by the way, guys.
Wait, how
There
much
we
are you up
go,
right now?
though. There we
Yo,
go.
this might
$100.
maybe we get this.
You're up $100?
No, like on this current trade.
Yo, remember when you owed me $100?
Ooh.
You're so funny. How did you do that? You're making good jokes, huh? All right, trailing through since these are our bottoms here. I'm getting tight. I don't give. There we go.
Nice.
So made back a little bit of loss there. Went from down 14,000 down to 13.2. So little bit of a recovery.
I thought you haven't. So you haven't DLL'd.
I DLL'd on my Lucids, but
Okay.
remember the Tradeify is disconnected.
Oh, that's right. So
Shout out Trade Sinker.
you the junkie found another way to get his hit.
Yeah, for real.
You know how pissed you would have been if it was a green trade and the Tradeifys were lacking behind now?
I mean, hey, would I have been mad? We don't know.
We should. I think we should run some duck races. I'm still short in Vanquish. I'm kind of just letting it do its thing. If we end up like retaking Prior Day Low, I'm
Just reminded me.
gonna take the W.
What
I'm
was
gonna
my
take the L.
Vanquish?
Here, I'm gonna grab everyone's names in the audience. Let's run
Yes,
some
we
duck
got 10 accounts to give away. So what are we doing? 10 different duck races, or are we gonna do?
So definitely
Let's not
not.
let.
I think
No,
We
let's
could do like top 3. in
Yeah,
a-
let's
no. I
let's
say
do.
we do the first place and person who's in last place, because the person in last, you're not actually.
Oh, I kind of fuck
losing.
with that. That's fair. Why don't we do? Let's do two races or 3 races.
Mhm.
What do you guys say about marbles, baby? What do you guys know about marbles?
All right, this is what we'll do. We'll do 2 duck races, top 4, and then also last place get an account for both. Should we do that?
I like that. I like that.
All right, yeah. So top 4 get an account, and then the last place in each of them will get an account. That's fair. Give us the
Posty has
fucking
a
dump
chance
here.
is crazy.
Run it, run it, run it, run it. So everyone's been waiting for. They're like, finally,
Not yet though.
my name better be in there. Plot twist. We just make the duck race, put all of our names in there.
Can set
Just
up
says Ace, JJ, and Tanner.
Because he's pulling from Discord.
Ronald Ruiz.
So you're doing everyone in the audience, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it should be
Okay.
82 people.
Oh, shout out Liz. I see Liz in the audience. Lemon, the coach over at Strong Trading.
Let's go. Tanner, let the people know what you offer, what you do, what
Yeah,
products.
for people
you
that don't
have.
know you,
Yeah,
Give them a
everyone.
full
So
rundown.
over at Strong Trading, we do mentorship coaching. Then what's unique about it, I'd say, is we just focus on your process. So like, I don't do a fancy shiny system of like, here's the magic strategy, but we focus on an overall back end approach. So we focus on like journaling and review, daily report cards, and basically like how to actually build your edge. And that's something that's really cool. Is a lot of people in Strong Trading have successfully, like I've had like 4 people quit their job to trade full time. Not saying that's going to happen to you, asterisk. Obviously, it's hard to do that, but everyone, I see Ace flexing in the back. Everyone focuses on process, so everyone actually trades a little bit different strategy, and all we try to do as coaches is help refine that. And what we offer through it is 3 live streams a week, 3 group calls a week, and bi-weekly one-on-ones. So you're getting like exposure call-wise, multiple. God, it's going to basically like 7 calls a week. So if you show up to all of them and you're there, it's almost impossible not to make progress and grow. So,
I love
and we
that.
do offer a guarantee that if you can't take a payout within the program's window, which is 6 months, we'll just keep working with you until you do. Assuming that you've been doing the work and actually doing the journaling and the reviews and stuff like that. That's a lot of people won't do that, won't offer that. But if you show me that you've been doing the journal and the reviews and everything, we'll literally work with you till you get a payout. So
Let's go. And guys, me and Tanner have been speaking about it for a very long time now, literally since we got connected. But hey, you never know if me and Tanner are going to be doing something together in the future. So watch out for
I
that.
know. Whenever I come on live streams like this with you guys, I'm like, fuck, dude.
Remember when I first left Stock Dads and we kept talking? We're like, man, should we do something together? Should we do something together? Should we
Dude,
do
if you
something
didn't live in fucking Canadian land, bro.
Canadian land?
Oh man, can we stop getting bounces at
Yeah.
the fucking lows, dude? Please. Let's get some follow through.
Who's in Canada? Come hang. Lemon, are you Canadian?
Yeah, Lemon is.
Let's go.
Toronto.
same with
Where are
us.
you guys? Are you guys?
We
You guys
are
aren't in Toronto,
right
are
in
you?
Toronto. Yeah.
Oh, you gotta connect with Liz. Liz is rad.
High Park. Whoa, wait, Liz. I used to live in High Park. 1990 Bloor Street. At the lower penthouse. Then, like,
All right.
okay, wait, don't dox yourself, Liz.
I'm ready for the duck race. If you want to give me share screen.
All right, let's race it
I
up.
gotta do this. Wait, production.
It's a
wait,
very
wait,
long
wait.
stream. That's
I
fair,
switched
Lemon.
it.
Race it up.
Wait for productions on Discord. All right, got you.
Where are you now? I'm in the GTA now. So our office is literally like 2 seconds away from Toronto, but we are just literally all three. Well, no, Rams is technically still in Toronto.
Holy Eddie.
So our production still lives in Toronto. My parents still live in Toronto. I'm just on the outskirts, and same with John.
That's fat. Are you ready? All right, chat.
Let's do it.
Oh my god, wait. Hold on. There's
That's a
80.
fatty,
50
Yeti.
seconds, dude. This is gonna be the longest duck race ever.
Well, that's why it's called production.
Dude, change it to a
We're only
30,
doing 2
bro.
races, right?
Just let it run in the background while we yap.
Like,
Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna make it fair. There's 88 people now, so I gotta re-add the names. Hold on. Production just said, "All right, you can make it 40 seconds now." I was gonna do 20 seconds. I thought that was perfect.
yeah, that's
When-
perfect.
or else
50. You want to be
right.
sitting here fucking. Oh, dude, this thing's gonna keep dumping. Soxal's fucking new low a day.
Okay, this is the last time I'm grabbing names. Anyone new joins? Too bad. Should have been here at Market Open.
Yep.
Tanner, what's your favorite prop other than Vanquish for futures?
For
You
futures.
can only choose one. I'll give you 2, just to keep it fair. I know my 2.
Yeah, my two
Top
are gonna be it's gonna be top one futures and Lucid, honestly. Like I do like Tradeify, I have no issues with them. Just not an affiliate with them, so I'm like I'm not gonna promote it.
Yeah.
But dude, honestly, like I don't like there's only few props I don't like, I would say. I'm not a fan of Apex personally. And Top Step, just for all the shit they've put me through, I'm not a fan of them either.
Oh, don't even get me
So,
started.
yeah, it's no. But Lucid crushes it, dude. Top one. They continue to crush it. They're just low key. Like people don't talk about top one enough, but like they've proven that they're a staple in the space. They're really, really highly respected on prop firm match, and the dudes there, like they're just focused on trying to
that's how
keep
we
growing.
met. Oh,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's how we met. So
yeah, they are dope.
All right, duck race is ready.
alrighty, here we
Damn, I gotta
go.
hit that shuffle button. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, and we are off.
And
We
they're
got
off.
88 people.
Starting on. We got K Drizzle in the front. Oh, hey, it was 7. Dude, Ben leading the pack, bro. Oh, here comes Jay with the mohawk in the back.
Coming in. Look at these lows coming in.
Yo.
Oh,
Oh,
Ben.
Lemon.
Hey,
Lemon.
Guys, the market
Step it
is
up,
shit.
Liz. Step it up. Oh, shit.
All right, so we're
I
doing
remember-
what, top 4 and then last place.
Top 4 and last place. No, so you might have a
Alright.
chance, Liz. Hold on. Let's see. Top 4 and last place.
You should have written
Jace,
them down.
Wilkes, Swan, and Flex.
You were 5th. Dude, sorry,
Congratulations.
Lemon.
And last place.
Who's last
Oh,
place?
Last place is
Guys, while that was happening, we just put in a new low, by the way. We are currently trending under that 300.
no way. dude.
No way. No way. Your buddy.
Who is it? Who is it?
It's Amar.
Oh. I'm fucking dead. I think we have to give it to him. He killed it today.
Did we just give it to Ben? Did we just give it to Ben?
We gotta give it to Amar. He killed
Does
it.
Does Amar work? Does Amar work for you guys?
Fuck it. I'm DLLing these accounts.
Yes and no. Yeah, he does.
Hold on.
Yeah. I'd probably give it to Ben. Sorry,
Yeah.
Amar.
Sorry,
Ben is
Amar.
the winner. Congratulations. You got it. You're gonna do all the DMs. Let me write down all the
Yeah,
names.
write down all the names for me.
I'll DM them to you.
Make sure to open up a ticket, guys, and that way we could help you guys even faster. Because to add you guys on DMs, sometimes it's just an absolute hassle. It's like you guys don't know how to operate Discord. No offense.
Also, I'm so close to DLL. I have a limit order for 4 minis at 28.
Okay, fine. Then I'll intern short for you. Holy, bro. This guy keeps begging me. There you
We're
go.
still dude, this gap's gonna get filled. It's doing exactly.
Bro, whenever you say that, I get a little tickled. You know what I mean? Like, why you say it like that?
All right, let's shuffle this. Are we ready for the next duck race? Wait, do you
All
want
right,
to
well-
commentate this one?
No, I like when Tanner does it.
All right, Tanner.
He turns into Chewbacca. And also,
Dude, I don't know
that's
how
his
those guys
favorite-
do that. The raffle guys, the
You should hear
bidders,
John when he says
the
all of the names. and every single
auctioneers,
morning.
Should I hit the good morning?
auctioneers.
Should I hit the good
Yo,
morning?
Yo, Tanner, you want to hear something? Look how crazy this is.
Dude, I don't know if I could do 87. I'm gonna run
I
out of
believe
breath.
in you.
Okay,
I
ready?
believe in you. I believe in you.
All right. Good morning, Dylan. Good morning, Seabach. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, Forrest. Good morning, Lemon. Good morning, Yeti. Good morning, Fish Shots. Good morning, George. Good morning, Drift. Good morning, Pash. Good morning, Ergonomic. Good morning, J Trin. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Osama. Good morning, 007. Good morning, Conrad. Good morning, Kanyesis. Good morning, PJ. Good morning, Wrath. Good morning, Jojo. Good morning, Ben. Good morning, Fire Truck. Good morning, JP. Good morning, SJV. Good morning, Casper. Good morning, J Perez. Good morning, Matthew K. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, Swag. Good morning, you got. Good morning, Kimmy. Good morning, Mr. M. Good morning, Not Available. Good morning, Taylor. Good morning, Matta. Good morning, Zulu. Good morning, M. Dog. Good morning, Trader. Good morning, Colton. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Rams. Good morning, Guan. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Alvin. Good morning, Kid Drizzle. Good morning, Turtle. Good morning, Eagle. Good morning, Fernando. Good morning, TJD. Good morning, Spaniac. Good morning, RPG. Good morning, Jiffy. Good morning, Boozle. Good morning, Anwar. Good morning, Stuckavelli. Good morning, James. Good morning, Cash. Good morning, Edwin. Good morning, Lee. Good morning, Swells. Good morning, Wilkes. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Samuel. Good morning, Flex. Good morning, Shaza. Good morning, Zonk. Good morning, One Way. Good morning, Los. Good morning, Alpha. Good morning, Nav. Good morning, KMT. Good morning, Kalish. Good morning, Sis. Good morning, Underwater. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Warren. Good morning, Sportsman. Good morning, Party. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Fastwatch. Good morning, Egg. Good morning, Kels. Good morning, Amar. Good morning, Eric. Whoo!
Oh
That's
my
bad.
god,
That is fucking
That was
insane.
Bro.
not bad.
I almost started crying laughing. I didn't want to fucking interrupt you. Silence Zulu in the chat. The fucking Jim that's from Liar Liar.
Sort of. All right, and we're off with the duck race.
And
it away,
they're
Tanner.
off. Okay, in the front we got we got Gonzo coming up on the Kells 858. Okay, M Dot coming in from the rear. MR, get your fucking ass out of here. You can't win. Get your bitch ass to the back. One way coming up. Our Pilgrim Sizz coming up. Oh, the Pigstar Mike coming up from the back. Oh, is it gonna be?
Ooh,
Our
let's see.
Pilgrim.
And the top 4 is our Pilgrim, Matthew K, Zulu, and Mike.
Dude, Zulu deserves it for that gift that just posted. That's I love that. Fuck
Are
it.
you all here?
I love it. And
I
who's
think we're all
in
here.
last,
And
place?
is not available. in
Not
last place.
available.
There you go.
Let's
Those are
go.
the winners. All right, let me DM you these. Who got close? Damn, Sizz. You were just right there. You couldn't do it. I'm sorry. RP.
Wasn't good enough?
He wasn't good enough.
I understand.
Killer.
Killer.
So
I would
they're
love for this to be
not
snap.
available said what account. So they're 50K accounts, and you can pick between the advanced plan or the other plan. I think you'd be kind of retarded to pick the normal one, in my opinion. Pick the advanced one because you don't get an intraday trailing drawdown. Yes, it's going to take you technically a few more days to pass it because you have to hit 4 days to pass, but
Yep.
you don't want to deal with
I
intraday
just made
trailing
back half
drawdown.
all my losses.
Let's go.
Big dub, big dub.
Big dub,
Big win.
big
That
dub,
was scary. It only
Big
only
win.
took 4 minis.
big win. Did you catch a bounce there?
No, I caught the short from 300 to 290.
Oh my god, that's literally
4
like,
minis. It's all it took,
that's literally
baby.
just
It's
like
all
a.
it took.
That's all we need.
Oh my
Oh, there-
god,
Man, that's
That's
Fridays for us.
I love
You
it.
know what? Actually, hold on real quick. I'm gonna do one more duck race for fun.
What
just 'cause
what are you
why
gonna
not?
give away?
You know what? Do it. I'll give away Lucids. Do
How
it.
many lucids do we have?
Do it.
Okay, fuck it. And we're off again. Congratulations, everybody. How you thought it was done? Too fucking bad. And we are off. We got Passion in the front over here. We got KMT. Oh my god, he's pinky. He has hearts all over him. We got Drift on the bottom. He's green and has stars. We got an old lady, PJ Max. Sorry, old
It's
ladies are not allowed to trade
frozen.
futures. What? It's not frozen for me. You're tripping.
Maybe mine just
tripping.
froze.
Trader Joe's in the front. We got a panda. Oh my god, it's toasty.
Can't
We got
see. Is it
Toasty.
frozen for everyone else?
Can't see.
Not frozen, okay.
for me.
Maybe just me. I
All right,
don't
well,
know.
just take my word for it.
I will. Yeah.
Spaniac won. Spaniac is the winner.
I was lackluster. See, that's what happens when you rush it, dude.
Fucking go. Let's fucking go. Way to come back, guys. Holy
banger.
shit.
Full port. That's sick.
No full port for me, but man,
Wait, how many
thank
accounts do we
goodness I
have?
wasn't fully DLL'd there. What?
How many accounts we got to give away?
10.
Spaniac won.
Oh, you're really trying to give away accounts, huh?
Shit, man, we're here. Fuck it.
What the shit?
Spaniac, open up a ticket with support, and you will get your account. Do we have more?
How many more you want to run? Tanner,
I
how
mean-
many more should we give away? I'll let Tanner choose.
Wait, hold on. We're not that rich.
Because Tanner looks locked the fuck in right now.
I'm watching. I'm
Don't ask
watching this. I'm watching this gap filled. Yeah, someone just asked Tanner, is the gap filled? No, it's at 683 on QQQ. So I don't know. It's gonna be around 200s, around 200 will
Alpha,
be the gap
you were
filled.
already in the duck race. There's no link. I just grabbed your name from the audience. We gotta
Looking
check
for
that
it. Wait.
Dude,
That is hilarious. Holy shit.
can we get this whole gap to fill and not fucking bounce here, please?
for real?
Where's the bottom of the gap?
It hasn't even entered yet.
It just
What?
answered that. The bottom of the gap is
Shit.
around. It's around. It's around 28,200.
Oh, okay.
We're pretty close. 683s roughly is the bottom of the gap. So on QQQ,
This reclaims
I
300.
appreciate it. I appreciate it.
we're getting
Thank you,
getting
thank you,
close.
thank you. I'm
I
so
think
sorry. Don't get
if
mad
we
at
get
me.
one more flush candle,
screen.
should be good. It's on me.
It won't
Share my
even allow
screen.
me anymore. Yeah, Tanner, you share screen. It won't allow
Okay.
me.
Let's see. All I got up is Vanquish. I can share. I'll share this.
Jojo, did I win? Sorry,
Did I
Jojo.
win?
No, you did not win.
Did he?
But
Do
we're
it?
doing more giveaways, so you might win.
Which one is streaming? This one, yeah, perfect, right here. Boom. So this is the gap, basically, just down here in the 683s, and so roughly it should line up with around the 200s, I think. Let's see if she comes all the way down. I'm floating in profit here on these QQQ puts still, about $700. Limit orders out. See if we can get filled.
Yeah, everybody who won an account, make sure to open up a ticket with support.
Yes, please, please, please.
And if you didn't win an account, please do not open up a ticket, or you will be banned.
Dan Hammer. Big old ban
Ooh.
hammer.
And hammer, no cap.
You know
No
who
cap
has a
for
big
real.
old band hammer? Tanner. Swings, guys.
Only when I'm on a lot of tests.
When he's on trend, you can see the full outline on his bed
Oh
of the sweat.
Sweat.
He tripped over it.
I don't know if
Sorry.
I'll ever. I honestly don't know if I'll ever try trend, dude. I just
No, it's
the
a
mental-
blast, bro. I
well,
love it.
no, dude. The mental side effects that I've heard about it, just that scares me. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose
Dude,
this.
I've heard some crazy side effects.
I don't want to lose this.
I don't know if it's true, but I did see a video the other day. These guys were talking. They were like, "Yo, I know people who took tren and they turned gay." That's what I heard.
Oh yeah, it's like
That's
a
why
it's like a
I'm like
it's like a
this.
common known thing that like when people are on trend, they like all of a sudden you like fat chicks and like you're just
That's
you're all
why I'm
fucked
like
up mentally.
this. Oh shit! This
Oh, you
makes
figured it
sense.
out?
This makes sense. I have an excuse
All
now.
makes sense.
Oh man.
Dude, fuck
guys
this
are
little bounce
hilarious.
here, bro. Can we just get one more dump? I just went from
Bounce
green
is fake
to red
news.
on the
It
fucking
is fake news, so don't worry
Vanquish.
about it.
Yeah, this bounce is fake news. Watch the 350 rejection.
What happens if it doesn't reject?
Sue me.
Then it's still fake. Don't worry.
Then I was just joking. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. There's only upside, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I have
Yeah.
to sneeze. Oh, Tanner, we have a half-edited Columbia video now.
It's true.
It took us forever to edit it.
I
But
was like, dude, that
we-
was
we
that was so
finally
long
did
ago.
it. I know. No one gives a shit about that video anymore, and we're like, yeah, we're still gonna post it. We don't give a fuck.
It is a
Yeah.
vibe though.
Oh yeah, that's true. Man, Tanner, guys, if you guys are not following Tanner on
Yeah, everyone follow him on
socials,
Instagram.
he
Please,
has
thank
the
you.
best socials page I've ever seen. And he is consistent as shit. Like, could never be us.
I just love Instagram, bro.
Holy shit. We're consistent in posting, but in terms of like actually like just point and shoot and recording your face and bro,
I'm so locked in when I see a Tanner video. I
Oh,
can't
me
lie.
too. Me too. I completely forget that I'm watching anything. I'm just watching, like looking into his eyes and stroking. It's so weird. Wait, what? Where
I
did this
love the
conversation go?
the funny ones when I get inspiration from. Like honestly, I enjoy filming those when I film
Dude,
something. I'm like,
Backrooms?
yeah, the
backroom
backrooms one, that
one?
was so good.
That was good. The backrooms was good.
that was a good one. That was funny.
All right.
I'm
And
gonna
then
send.
the napkin one a couple days ago when I dropped the napkin. And it's like when you have a red day and the universe hits you with one of these.
Yeah, for real.
I just sent the
Napkin.
link to Tanner's Instagram. Everybody, make sure to go follow. Dude, damn, you're peeing today.
What's wrong with your bladder?
This again? Wait, what's wrong with you? Oh,
Why can't I talk to my boy production? God.
He just wants to stand up and flex, dude.
Are you a take a trade and use QQQ as invalidation / confirmation type of trader? I like the idea of using Qs, but don't know how to make sure if it's helping me versus too much noise. And he's asking you, Mr.
Yeah. Okay, so I watch both, honestly, just because there's little things you can see between QQQ and NQ that you can't see with just one or the other, right? And so that's why, like, for example, actually, this is a good example here of like QQQ New York VWAP is sitting here at prior day low, but NQ VWAP is actually sitting up here towards these 500s, right? Which would be way up here. So sometimes, depending on how weak or strong we are, this kind of gives me a little bit more, I guess, discretion in that sense. Where like a day like today where we're super weak, I wouldn't even be looking for us to kind of pop up here. I'd be looking to short anything into VWAP. And now I got a confluence of this here. So if this pops back into here, one more dump potentially. That's kind of what I would look at. So I'm just watching both, just kind of collecting information as I can. And again, just like this gap fill, there's no gap on NQ. So like I was able to see this gap today with QQQ, which is gave me this thesis and this idea for this trade. So that's kind of how I use both, I'd say. You trade on TOS, impressive. I could never. Yeah, because I'm an onk.
Did you
dude.
see, Tanner?
What is it?
I hit profit target or personal daily profit target
Oh my
on my
God.
Tradeifys, and then everything else is still
Everything,
bleeding
wait.
at DLL.
I love it.
Man, we always keep it transparent, guys. The green, the red, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's not a singular day of trading that's going to make or break you. It's how you consistently trade. So all those times that you guys full port and hit massive wins, it's never going to be consistent unless you can actually dial in and realize that this game, this whole trading thing is all about longevity within the space. It's not just one single good day or one single good week that might even result in a payout. I've seen people full port all the way to a payout. It's not going to be consistent. The only way to actually do it is to just realize that day in and day out, it's about being the greatest loser. If you can accept your losses really, really well, just as well as you accept your wins, I guarantee you could actually be profitable in this space. I always tell all of my students, I say it nonstop, is that knowledge is power. Yes. How many people have actually heard that before? Just put it in chat.
Me. I'm one of those people that heard that before.
You guys have definitely heard that quote before. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is only fucking power when applied. Okay? Because how many of you guys probably have a degree that you guys don't do shit with? How many of you guys have gone through looking at y equals mx plus b or E equals MC squared and actually utilize that on a daily? You guys don't use that shit, right? Yeah, it's cool to know, but it's only useful when you actually apply it. So you guys have all of the information available to you already. Most of you guys can actually be profitable already, even with the shittiest strategy. And guess what? All you have to do is dial in. Because you repeating the same process day in and day out of fucking up, over leveraging, over trading, doing all of the things that you know is going to screw up an account is literally insanity. And that's the definition of insanity, right? It's doing the same thing day in and day out, expecting different results. So dial the fuck in. I don't know how I got into giving a speech, but what the fuck is going
Rants.
on?
I love it though. Man, you're not wrong with it. It's like everything you said is correct, dude. It's like
Yeah.
that's why like the whole theory of like when someone is chasing their first payout or like just I need to get a payout, I need to get a payout, I need to get a payout. I'm like, then they get one. I'm like, okay, now what? You got the payout. Now what?
Yep.
Okay, let's take 100 more. Oh fuck, you know, like they're so hyper fixated on the one. It's like
Mhm.
if you're doing all the wrong shit and you get a payout, that doesn't mean you even deserved it. Like you just basically got lucky. But it's like
Yeah.
if you can put up, you can take 10 payouts, you can take 20, you can take 30. Like, you know, it's like that's when you're actually like, okay. And that's why even like recently, yeah, I'm like on a challenge, on a mission. Like I've been trading my live account, my personal live account. So I really want to do 6 figures in my personal live account this year. Because I haven't tried to do that with a futures account on my own yet. And so I was like, you know what? This is kind of my own thing I'm gonna go after. And it's much different when you can't just like randomly blow accounts and YOLO them and this and that. It's like you actually have to
Can't
like
YOLO
manage
25K.
risk. Yeah, I can't YOLO 25K. You actually have to manage risk. So it's definitely something that you know, it's different. Fuck this pop, dude. I was almost so close to TP, and then now I'm fucking red on this.
Back to the
position.
420
It's
level.
literally back to previous week low.
But by the way, can I just
Literally.
say that 420 level, we literally nuked right from there. Just like to point that out.
We did.
He's done
Really
it
did.
again, everyone.
Really
Also,
did.
if you guys haven't seen, I started a nice little thread for all of my trade sinker days. Now starting, when was it? Wednesday. So Wednesday and Thursday I've posted. I'm gonna post today because we show everything. All right, we are transparent. There's only a few people in this space that are actually transparent. Tanner being one of them. We have people like Zach Bouillage and Austin who always show the L's as well. People like Jake who always show the L's, but everyone else who doesn't do it live, and they say it all the time, if they can't do it live, they're usually typically fake. We have people like Tanner who literally spoke numbers. He gave you guys the full breakdown in one of his reels in terms of what his spend was versus how much he's received in payouts. Because at the end of the day, it's all about your R, right? How much have you actually, what is your sunken cost? How much have you actually put in versus how much have you taken out? People like to shit on people who have money and are able to play the game, manipulating it a bit. At the end of the day, they're profitable. You can't hate on someone who has a system in place, right? So if that's their system, so be it. But you can't replicate that same system if you don't have the same capital to put up front. So just saying, make sure you guys are following real people, real traders, because you guys will get fucked by a lot of these furus who probably have never made a singular dollar. And John says this all the time. You guys will see people saying, I'm on a 150-day streak. I'm on a 6-month streak. I've never seen a payout.
No leaderboards.
No leaderboards. You say you've made 100K. There's no certificate. Like, what the fuck's going on? This prop has never acknowledged you unless you're an affiliate and you're pushing stupid numbers. Like, just make it make sense. You guys have a brain. Just utilize it.
Yeah, that shit blows my mind.
So
I'm
we're getting
so
this
optimistic today.
real quick. We're getting this pop here. This is where both VWAPs help, right? Because now we just rip through prior day low and this VWAP. So now, as long as we can reject this one and stay under this 500, this is still bearish to me. It's just giving a manipulation pop. But if we get through this and start to recover, then this is a full change of character, in my opinion. So we'll see what's. I took my stop on Vanquish just now. I actually just took a loss on it because I can't risk this popping more with the amount that I had in it. So took an L there, but is what it is. Whatever.
This is a pretty aggressive recovery.
I know it is. But watch this VWAP, bro. I'm telling you, this would be the classic where everyone gets all horny and excited, and they come into here and just fucking boom, back down.
Or you keep saying horny.
What are you telling me? Full port shorts?
I'm on prop
that
hub. Of course, I'm going to
right?
say that word. Yes, yes, full port shorts.
Guys, sometimes my Vanquish will look like this.
Pretty banger.
$6, $40, $34, $800, and then 1,662. Ridiculous.
Oh, there's user. Yo, user, you're late. You know how late you are?
What do you
Ye-
mean by 2 VWAPs? There's different things, right? You guys
New,
have
New York VWAP and then
Exactly.
the 24-hour VWAP. Yeah.
Yep. Or you guys could even switch it up, anchor it at given points, such as your monthly or weekly VWAP. You guys could have deviations. So if you guys use a regular VWAP, it does have bands already built inside of it. Most people turn that off because it is a
I
lot
turn
of
them
fucking
off.
noise. Yeah,
Yeah.
but standard deviations itself, obviously, is always a thing. But yeah, there's so many strategies to utilize, guys.
Mm-hmm.
You just have to figure out what works for you and what aligns with your strategy the best.
Basically, every strategy can be profitable.
Yeah, I wouldn't go that far, but yeah.
Every real strategy. Like, if your strategy is flipping a coin,
yeah.
I mean, even then, with good risk management, you could probably get a payout flipping a coin.
Ooh, should I give people
Not gonna lie.
sauce right now since I'm on this fucking autistic speech
Go
wave?
for it.
Yeah, you have to.
Okay. I talk about it with my students all the time. Okay. We always say, yeah, and John just said it right now. Any strategy could be profitable. The model for prop firms changes those stats. And I want you guys to realize this, okay? If you guys are running a 1-to-1, it's 50%, correct? So therefore, you would assume, hey, if I add a little bit of confluence, even get it to 55%, I could get payouts. That's not the case. And the reason why I say that is because think of the model for a prop firm. You have on a 50K, 2K drawdown and a 3K target. It is now asymmetrical. Because if you run a 1-to-1, it's basically negative 2,000, positive 2,000. Where's that extra 50% going to come from? So you guys can't run just a typical strategy with a flip of a coin and think that, hey, I can be profitable here. Could it work on a cash account? 1,000%. Could it work on options? 1,000%. But in terms of prop firms in general, it's not the same model that you guys typically believe in. This is where I don't want to get so technical with the math and all of that, but where quant really takes face here and where I truly believe in it is because if you have now and you're running even a 3R or 4R multiple on prop firms, chances that you hit 4 losses, 3 losses, and yes, 1 win covers all of that. But if you're risking $500 as an example, guess what? 4 full losses, account's gone. You guys can't even get to that big winner to cover all of those losses. And even if you do hit that big winner, guess what? If there's a consistency rule, you're now capped at the top of that. Again, you have to work within the parameters that the prop is giving you. There's a reason why they set these rules to protect their back end. It's because a lot of people don't realize there's math behind this shit. So just understand the math, tailor your strategy toward prop firms, and then you guys could get payouts. In terms of options, cash accounts, and all of that, run a typical strategy because that will always be a lot more superior than trying to oblige by their parameters. Just saying. Just saying.
It's a different game. It's a
It is
different
whole
ball game.
different game.
A lot of people don't realize that. That's why the whole math thing. When people are like, what about this with the math and this and that? Like, especially when people trade props and they're like, I just want one account to last. Like this would be my only account. I'm like, you're an idiot, dude. Like, fucking, who cares if you burn an account? Like, it's just a different game. Go trade a real personal live account if that's what you want. If that's your goal, like it's just different.
It's also not good for your mental to be trading an account being like, oh, I can't blow this. I have to make sure this stays alive forever. Like,
Yeah,
that's just not how you do it.
yeah.
You guys have to eat the cost sometimes.
Later, Lemon.
Peace, Lems.
Peace, Lems. I'll see you at High Park.
Slims.
Nice rejection here.
Mhm.
We don't fully. Maybe this just ends up sinking back down.
Came back to my morning level.
Well, they
All the way
recover
up
right here.
at 465. That accumulation low that we drew out right before Tanner came on stream. Lemon said you bike. Lemon? Oh, man. I know you're about to go, but I did a triathlon last year and I had to complete it with a flat tire. Ever since that day, I have not ridden a bike ever again because of how miserable I was. My rim was dented to shit, and I had to finish.
man.
I had to finish.
This guy got PTSD from a bike.
High key, I did. Yo, my quads. Holy fuck, the pump on my quads, Tanner, running
Bro,
on.
I bet. Oh my
Holy
god, it's probably
shit.
crazy, bro.
Bro, it was the fattest leg pump I've ever received in my life. And not only that,
I'm
I had to
sure.
do swimming first and then run right after. Bro, I was jello
Fuck
during
that.
the run. I would rather crawl than use my legs at that point. But man, that's a little
Respectful,
story
bro.
time for y'all.
I respect that, dude. I fucking.
I appreciate it. Man, I
Those
want to
lift
get back.
heavyweights.
I told you this. I want to get back into powerlifting. I like having a goal. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
whenever I don't have a goal or anything lined up for me, kind of just
Mhm.
like dilly daddle. Sometimes I go to the gym, sometimes not. And maybe it's because I was a personal trainer, it really made me fall out of love with training.
Mm,
Being in the gym day in and day out, and it was no longer a hobby and it turned into a job that really fucked it for me. But
yeah.
I wanna get back in love with it.
I think that's
If
why
it-
like I
if-
still love lifting so much is because I was a personal trainer as well for like only like 3 or 4 months and I was like,
Right.
dude, fuck this. Like I'm like this is a
Mhm.
sales job and it's making me hate lifting. Like and lifting is like
Yep.
my outlet. And I'm like I don't want to
Exactly.
do that. So
And it was
absolutely
so
agree with
annoying
you.
because it's like, okay, now it's time to train. And it's like, man, I've been here all day. Do I really even want to train now? All that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Totally understand.
But still did a
started
few
gut
competitions
training.
after that.
What was your best total ever?
It was just shy of 1,500. And
Hold up on open powerlifting.
oh
Prove
yeah,
it.
that's true. Oh wait, no, some of mine are. It doesn't show because open powerlifting didn't exist prior to then. So
they-
I can see
I
my
thought-
most recent ones.
I thought they aggregated a bunch of data though from
No, so they
previous
did,
meets.
but they didn't
haven't
go
been on there in a
all
while.
the way back.
Hmm.
So my most recent was
What year was your first meet?
bro, it was like 2012, 2010.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a long time. My first meet was
Yeah.
2016.
So my last meet, I was 28. I'm turning 31 now, so 3 years ago, and I totaled only 1333.
Okay. Okay. What
That's
weight
three-
class?
83. Oh no. I was 90. So this one it wasn't what's it called? IPL? IPL? What's it fucking called? IPF.
IPF.
Yeah, this one wasn't IPF, so it was 90 kg instead of the 93.
Oh yeah. 90s. Okay. Yep. That's
Yeah,
what I competed
so-
in when I first started. It's funny. My
Yeah.
my very first meet, I told 1333 at
Oh really?
yeah, literally exactly 1333. It's on open powerlifting at 90.
Fucking love
Same
it.
thing.
So my
That's
squat
funny.
was 462. My bench was 308 for that meet, which is crazy because I showed what my last warm up set was. My last warm up set was 325. I was projecting trying to hit a PR and go over 365, and I opened up less than what my warm up was, which was stupid as fuck. But I only hit my first attempt on bench, which was 308.6. So my last warm up was heavier than my freaking first attempt. It was
Oh my
so
god!
fucking
I
stupid.
remember my first meet. I did the same thing where my last warm up was similar to that. My last warm up I
Yeah.
think was like, oh, what was my opener on that meet? I don't remember my opener exactly, but I remember I warmed up like 5 pounds under what I was about to open with, and I'm like, everyone's like, "Are you retarded? Like you're gonna be exhausted." And I was
Hey,
like,
it's better
yeah.
than me. I went over what my first attempt
Yeah, I
was.
know. Oh my
And then my
god, that's actually
deadlift
hilarious.
at that meet was 562.1. And that meet, because it was a CPL meet, everyone was on the sauce. And when I say
Oh my
guys, these
God.
guys were jacked, like putting up like
Massive.
national level numbers and all of that. I'm just there like, hey, I'm gonna enter.
Yeah.
But every other meet other than probably that one, I did place like second or third. Obviously, they're local meets. Local meets don't really mean shit. As long as you can lift decent, chances that you place are pretty high.
Yeah. Pull up open powerlifting right here on my screen. See. So these are all my meets. So this is my first one, 2016, 1333. And progressively, I just kind of make progress a little bit. 1383, 1444, 1455, 1500. That was a big milestone. And these are like just like individual random lifts I had. 1570, 1625.
That bounce.
Whoa,
Yeah, we're getting a
candle.
big bounce. Holy shit. What the fuck? Random pop. Wonder if it's going to sustain though.
Kels just said, "This is your buyers." I'd get out right before that candle, and then he says, "Man, I'm good at trading when I don't trade."
I fucking
Classic.
love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, it's my most recent one, 1741. The best.
Fucking
Bro,
1761.
1741 is
You're a
insane.
beast. You're an
It's actually
actually
crazy.
1800, bro. That's what I want. I want 1800.
He wants a PDPT.
Yep, I do.
Yeah, it doesn't show any meets for me prior to 2023.
That's
But
weird.
I have them on my stories, highlights on my personal page if you guys wanted to check that out.
It's weird.
My best bench ever, gym, or no, even at a meet was 350 at, I think that was like at my second meet ever, and I was still a junior.
353.
I put a stupid number, yeah, kgs.
Yeah, kgs.
Yep. And then my dead, I've never been able to crack over 600. So as soon as I get to that
Still
600,
good, bro.
I mean, it's decent. And then my squat, same thing over there. Have never been able to crack 600 as well.
Still really good numbers though. Like whenever people ask me about my numbers, like, what the fuck you can lift that much? I'm like, dude, I've been doing this for 10 years, bro. Like I've literally been competing in powerlifting. I've been doing squat, bench, deadlift multiple times a week for 10 years.
Yep.
Like, yeah, you know, it's gonna be different. So
You know what you should do? You should enter those arm wrestling competitions and see how you do.
yeah, I would suck, bro. It does not translate over. Does not translate.
Yeah, but just for fun. Like, see how far would you place? Just on pure
I'd
like
probably
ego.
I'd get injured, bro, before anything. I would just be fucking hurt. What was that random pop? What was that? Was that news? Why did
I have
that
no
happen?
idea.
Anyone in the chat know? What was that?
I mean, Kel saw it coming. He said, "Order flow, baby, the secret sauce."
Would I join that slap competition? Zonk said in the chat. No, probably not.
Yeah, it's
Power
so
slap.
funny.
But it's okay. Just join. Make sure you go first, and then just like disqualify yourself
Yeah,
before the second
exactly.
slap.
AI is
Exactly.
hilarious. How it literally could just scour the internet and find.
Oh,
shit.
it's amazing. Here we go.
It's fucking
crazy.
so
Raw
weird.
powerlifting
I-
personal bests. I love that.
I
Amazing.
did an equipped as well.
Really?
No, it wasn't fully equipped. What's the one past Raw where you're allowed?
Classic raw with knee wraps.
There you go, classic Raw.
Okay, but you didn't have like a suit on.
No suit.
Yeah.
And
okay.
I thought classic meant like your Gucci. Bro, it was my first time ever using wraps. I was shitting the bed during warm-ups to the point where I'm like giving my
Oh,
sleeves fuck this shit.
no.
So I just did it raw.
Oh no.
I signed up for the wrong meet.
Oh my god, dude, that would be a nightmare.
And at that point I was what's it called? A sub junior or whatever when you're underneath junior. I've been
Oh, yeah.
powerlifting for so
Child.
fucking long, bro.
I know, literally, you have been. I was
I was
a junior
fucking
for a bit,
penis.
but junior ends at I think 23
Yeah, 23.
or 24, maybe 23 or 24.
I remember because they put me, it was a smaller
Bro.
meet, and they had put me with the open class. So I didn't know that they give individual awards for each division that you're a part of. But because we were all in the same lineup, what's it fucking called again? You know what I mean?
Yeah, like the same like flight.
Rotation, flight. There you go. We were
Yeah,
all in the
flight,
same flight.
flight.
And so it kept showing the rankings, but with us in the open. And then when it ended, they're like, Ace Rabanus coming in second. I'm like, what? I'm nowhere close to
What?
second. And there was
Yeah.
only, guys, I came second out of 4 people. Because there wasn't a lot of juniors.
Dude, this has to be news, right?
Nah, I don't know, bro. I really don't know. I mean, it's a big pump.
Tanner, you green or red still for this session?
On Vanquish, I'm red as fuck. Actually, I'm about to blow the account, unfortunately.
Guys, that is transparency. I fucking love it.
But
hate
I
from that
just
shit.
tried one more stab here short to see because we're rejecting VWAP on Soxel. So I'm like, all right, this is going to be like a snipe if it's going to happen. I have $400 of drawdown left in the account. So I'm going to see if this snipe can play through. But on my
Trump is talking right now.
oh, is he? That's what's happening.
It says U.S. president just declared emergency.
Emergency.
Am I right, guys? Holy.
Emergency.
Ooh, Tanner, I'll give you a prop to keep your eyes out for. You might
Which
even want to
one?
work with them in the future.
Ooh, yeah.
But
Go.
Funded Seat, they now have over 6 months of like being alive, which you know is the hardest.
Yeah,
for
which
prop
is
firms.
the literally
Yeah. And they have it's basically take TPT, remove
Okay.
intraday, and less days to pass.
interesting. Okay.
So it might be an account for us to rent soon.
And
Okay.
they've never denied a payout.
All right. Funded Seat. I haven't heard
Yeah,
of them.
Funded Seat.
I think
There's
they've been
so
out for
many.
8 months now.
There's so many new ones, dude. I'm just like, there's so many potential new ones. Like I'll
Yo,
check.
Colton
I was
just
just
said-
texting Garrett about Tanner.
Yeah. Do
Mm,
you know about Colton?
cap.
Tanner? You probably have heard of him.
Yeah,
before.
Colton the Limit Breaker.
Yeah.
Like Eichelbacher, whatever the fuck his name is. Are you talking about?
What the
Wait, who's
fuck
that?
are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Colton who? Colton what?
He's in chat right now, Colton Pierce. So remember when you were doing the 15?
Oh, I'm sorry.
straight to Funded Pros? He ran 15 straight to Funded Pros as well, and he hit it.
Oh shit! Really? Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
That's epic, dude. That was hard. I fucking.
There
blew
were
that
some
shit.
things that dropped, full transparency, but he did hit it and got a payout.
Fuck yeah, that doesn't matter. That's a big payout, dude. Good shit. Amazing. For some reason, when you said Colton, I was thinking powerlifting. So we were still talking about it because have you seen that? Have you seen that dude Colton the Limit Breaker that's in powerlifting right now?
Yes.
He's fucking insane, bro. Like he totaled like 2,800.
That's fucked.
Like
Oh, wait,
actually
you posted
fucked.
him on your story.
Like yeah, that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually fucked, bro. He's literally the best powerlifter of all time. It's insane.
Yeah, I know, but I'm so biased toward John Hack just because I've watched him growing
No,
up.
you're right. I love John Hack, bro.
Right?
He's my go. I fucking because he's just so humble, dude. Because
Yeah.
Colton dude seems humble as well, but still, yeah, just John Hack is just fucking impressive. I think I might have just sniped the top on this because now I was at 2,100. Look at this. Here's my Vanquish account transparency. So I'm down 2,100 on it. I literally sniped up here. I'm in 20 of these 687 puts. So it's either this fucking holds and we end up actually dumping back down, or it's going to come back up and nuke me. So we'll see. We shall see, my friends. Looking good.
I kind of don't want to enter anything with Trump speaking. He's talking about oil and Venezuela.
I hope he says some bullshit that just everyone gets spooked on and this thing nukes down and all of a sudden I go from negative 2,100 to plus 1,500 or something crazy.
Oh, that's the name I was thinking of when I had first
Oh my God, he's
started.
talking about World War.
The absolute goat was Candido.
Oh yeah, Johnny Candido. Yeah.
Johnny Candido. Man,
Yeah.
what a throwback.
What a throwback indeed, bro.
And then I started hopping on like Conjugate and all of that, and then I realized I wasn't on Sauce, so I couldn't handle that volume. And bro,
Dude, it's so funny. He's not my coach anymore, but like I still go to his gym all the time. Papa Squat, I've posted him a few times. He converted like fully to strongman and just does strongman stuff. That's like main reason why. But dude, those
I
guys
saw you doing those freaking.
I did the bag toss. That was
Yeah.
fun. The bag toss. But dude, the stones and shit, bro, like it's just it's just not it's not exciting for me, and it's so exhausting on your nervous system,
Yeah.
like beyond exhausting on your nervous system.
But hey,
So,
that kyphosis from the freaking Atlas
oh yeah.
getting into position for a deadlift after, oh,
Yeah,
you're
literally.
golden.
Literally, bro, literally. But I have a theory that like it's almost nearly impossible to compete in strongman if you're not on gear. Like actually
Yeah, yeah.
impossible.
Yeah.
Because it's so insane on your nervous system and your recovery and everything.
Yeah.
So I truly believe that. I think I'm about to get
I-
rinsed here.
Just competing in general was so hard where I live because everyone was on the sauce. And I knew people were on the sauce,
Yeah.
right? And I have nothing against the sauce. But when you're on the sauce joining a natural comp, that's when I was
Mhm.
having issues. I'm like, bro, at this point, it's not even fun for me anymore because I'm being lied to. I'm being cheated right
Yeah.
off the rip. And like
Yeah.
my boys who I've pinned were joining the same comps as me. I'm like, bro,
You're like,
like,
come on, dog. That's
come
not
on. And he's like,
fair."
I'm going for first. I'm like, yeah, no fucking shit, brother.
Oh my god.
That's the point where I act full transparency. I purchased for myself, Tanner, full sauce, full everything, was gonna run a full stack. Back when I was a PT, I learned so much. I had a coach myself who was like running me through it because so many of my clients wanted to hop on.
Mhm.
And so I'm like, hey, I'd rather you like I would pin you as opposed to you doing it yourself, getting a stupid ass fucking infection, not knowing how to do shit, blah blah
Yeah.
blah blah blah. And so I was pinning everyone, and it got to a point where I was getting so tempted. I purchased everything. I was
What
ready to
were
run
you
the
gonna
stack
run?
myself.
What were you gonna run?
It was just the simple freaking trend D-ball and
It's
what's
not
it fucking
simple.
called?
It's advanced. That's like
not,
advanced.
not trend, not trend, not
This
trend.
is-
Test
Test, okay.
D-ball and what's it fucking called? The bulking stack, the freaking newbie.
I don't know.
beginner.
I don't know what the bullet. What Deca?
And Deca. There you go.
Oh.
So I was gonna run those three, and ended up I'm like, man, wait, should I be doing this? Because my family, we have an insanely stupid history of high blood pressure.
Oh yeah, you
liver
got to know that.
failure,
That's
all of
the
that
main
kind of
thing,
stuff.
dude. Gotta have your
Yeah.
bloods done and like the
Yep.
blood. Like I take my blood pressure like almost every day just to see where it's at.
Yep, me too. And I already run high just naturally, so
Yeah,
I
that's
opted out
that's
of it
dangerous.
yeah, my dad literally had a heart attack. I was like on the brink of death, and then he was going through cancer as well at the same time. I'm like, man, am I really gonna fuck up my own health just for what? My
Yeah.
ego? Fuck that.
Yeah, I feel you. Gotta know.
Like,
Gotta know your
My
levels.
whole family has high blood pressure, and it's like not even just regular high blood pressure. Like we are like at risk high blood pressure.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, why was I running at 18 years old, guys? I was 18 at the time doing sleep tests. I had my license pulled from me actually because of how high it was. I was such a high risk of literally fainting and literally having a heart attack while driving.
Damn, they actually took away your license for
I
that?
got my license suspended.
Wait, so how'd you get it back?
Gnarly.
You have to just pass the tests or whatever?
Literally. So my sleep test had to be at like certain levels and all of that. And I had to like walk around like I was freaking Iron Man with machinery around me at all times, like cords all over, tracking my pulse, my heart rate, my freaking blood pressure. I looked stupid for like a good week, but got my license back, and yeah,
When
And
you
you started
get,
printing on trading.
you gotta get your ass to California, bro.
I know, bro. I was in California literally every single weekend before I was banned. I actually have, and I can connect you with some people there, Tanner, if you're interested in angel investing. Over
Eventually, not yet.
over 250K, and
Yeah.
I guarantee you, you'll be printing off of it.
I'll definitely
like,
keep you in mind.
The
for that, for
returns
sure.
I've seen have been stupid off of it. But yeah, they won't even consider anyone underneath 250K capital
Oh
investment.
yeah, shillings for them.
Yep.
Think
And
about to
it's
get cooked on
on-
this, dude. It's not
Yeah.
looking good.
It's okay. I'm negative 8,000 for the session.
Negative 1,000. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
What a
What it is. What it is.
recovery.
Who knows? Trump's talking. Maybe he'll say World War III is happening tomorrow, and then we'll dump 5,000 points.
It's gonna happen after hours, and then everyone over the weekend is gonna be like, "All right, that was the recovery." want to see us fill. We
Are
didn't
we
full.
done with
We like almost fully filled the gap, but they can do that too, where it gets close enough, and it's like maybe I was a bit too greedy. Probably should have taken it when it was towards the bottom there. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. But
Are we done with giveaways, or are we doing one more Lucid?
Did we even do a Lucid yet?
Yeah, we did one Lucid. It was Spaniac.
How about this? First person.
Ooh, little challenge.
Ready? I know what to do. I'm cheating. I don't know if this works or if it does bad. How about if I grab this link and have people comment on it? Will that screw up the algo?
How long-
3 days now. 6.4.
What was that yesterday?
4.
Let it cook.
So don't do it.
Fuck it, do it.
Fuck it.
Fuck it, do it.
So bring it forward now. Just put it on page.
Mhm.
Cool. Let's do it.
Oh, we're doing another giveaway.
We're doing another giveaway.
send it.
I'll let you guys
Send
know
it.
what to do in 2
Just get ready. Get ready for a link in chat. That's all I'm gonna say. Me, Jojo. I'm a day one. Jojo. I feel like that's the first thing I read that you typed that made sense. That I understood what you were trying to say.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Tanner, you got any plans for the weekend?
Just chilling, dude. I'm just trying to like. I had a wedding last weekend, so I'm not just trying to relax, bro. Me and Brooke
Bro,
are
I've
actually
had
getting ready
weekends. I had a free
to.
fucking weekend.
What's that?
I've had a wedding every single weekend. We're just at that age
Yeah.
now where everyone's having
Everyone's
kids,
getting married, bro,
or
yeah.
engaged.
Yep. Dude, it's actually correct. Brooke and I are moving in together. Probably in
Oh,
like
shit.
3 weeks.
Hey.
Yeah, big step.
Congrats.
Big step. My bachelor pad's gonna be gone. But we're getting, dude. It's the biggest unit in our apartment complex, and it's called a live work. So the whole bottom, it's like a 2-story, and the whole bottom is like a commercial workspace that you can do whatever you want in. So
that's dope.
she runs like a recovery studio, deep tissue massage and like sauna and stuff like that. So she's gonna have her whole business down there. And it's so big that we also have a space that one of my homies who has a business, he's gonna rent out part of it. And they're gonna like basically occupy that bottom. And then upstairs is our 2-bedroom apartment also. And so one of the bedrooms I'm using as the office for strong trading. And then like we have our bedroom obviously together and stuff. But the whole thing is like 3,000 square feet. So it's fucking massive.
That's far.
Yeah, for an
That's actually
apartment,
fire.
it's pretty big. So and it's so cool. Dude, this is how manifestation works, bro. I really wanted an apartment like at some point in my life with the floor to ceiling window bullshit. I think I just got cooked on Vanquish. Account got blown. Boom. That's it. That sucks. I've always wanted the floor to ceiling window thing. That was like something, but I don't live in Miami. So I'm like, I can't really do it, like whatever. This is the only unit they have in the living room, some floor to ceiling windows. So I was like, yo, dude, this is fucking sick. So pretty
Well,
excited
it's
for
actually
that.
perfect.
Yeah.
I'm doing 2
tight.
giveaways.
They kept it just for you.
Yeah.
I'm doing 2 giveaways.
Send it.
Someone who comments on my latest reel and Tanner's latest reel, you guys must be following, will be entered into the giveaway.
And it's only open for 5 minutes.
Open for 5 minutes.
Uh-oh.
Rip it right now, guys.
Are you gonna send the links?
I don't want to send the link because then
No, you gotta run it. You just gotta, yeah, you
Yeah,
just gotta,
they have to
find
go.
You
it.
just gotta go on Instagram.
it'll fuck up the.
Go on Prop Up Trading and Strong Trader. And good luck.
What was my most recent
Oh,
one?
people are quick. I'm already getting notifications.
My last one, our last one, Tanner, is so jokes. I feel like you'll appreciate it.
The last reel?
Yeah.
Which one was it?
It's the one where I'm on the phone.
Oh, yeah.
Did
Is it on yours or what Instagram is that on?
you collab it?
I don't know if Rams accepted it yet.
The
Damn it!
latest
I don't
one?
do social media.
Checking my bank account balance as day trader. Oh, I haven't seen this one.
It was on trial. I just pushed it forward.
Okay. Let's see who's commenting on mine. Giveaway. This is a banger. Okay.
This is a banger.
This is a
You guys
banger.
must be following both of
Yeah,
us.
make the comments funny. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Make it
like-
like funny and engaging and like.
If it's
Yeah,
just
don't
some random ass shill stupid shit, I'm not
If it's
answering
just
you.
pick me, I want to win. Then no.
Yeah, then you can eat my ass. How about that?
Yeah, how about that? You pick me.
I also posted on my X. That's not part of the giveaway. I'm just telling you guys, but just posted day 3. So I just wrote hit PDPT on my Tradeifys, but DLL on everything else. Ending off the week down negative $29. Whoa, whoop de doo.
Oh my god.
Whoop de fucking do. I just got payouts on Vanquish and on Tradeify as well. So it is what it is.
It is what it is. What it is. What it isn't. Yo, Tanner, what music do you listen to? Curious.
He goes to
EDM.
raves. I know that. Yeah.
Yeah.
he goes to a lot.
I listen a lot. I listen to a lot of EDM.
You like it?
No, I like a lot of dubstep. Honestly, I like my
Really?
weird-
Dubstep.
Well, just 'cause I like energy, bro. So I'm at the gym, like
Yeah.
fucking squatting, going ham. It's like I just like high energy music. So I think that's why I've always like stuck with
Which
it
is
and
crazy
enjoyed it.
because you don't pop, right?
I don't what?
You don't my girl Molly?
No. Yeah, I don't. I'm Molly. I haven't done Molly in God, a long time. Like a decade.
So did you used to rip Skrillex back in the day?
No, I wasn't around for that era really. Like
Mm.
my era of like prime EDM was like, dude, 2014, 2015. This is like Calvin Harris and fucking all the big room stuff. Like, you know, this is like when Levels was like just coming out and everyone's like, oh my God, this is amazing. Like that was like prime era of that. Then eventually, I don't know, it kind of just like migrated into dubstep and rhythm and all that type of stuff. And then I listen to I listen to other music too. I listen to a bunch of different music, I guess. It kind of just depends what I'm in the mood for. But primarily like my playlist day to day, like when I'm listening to music at the gym all the time, it's a lot of dubstep.
Man, after I saw the Michael Jackson movie on release date, and since then, my playlist I've just been ripping Michael Jackson.
Really? It's sick.
To the point where
Like
he
every
came
day.
over and during the baby shower, he was like, we had put on Michael Jackson just for them. And now my girl's playlist is literally all Michael Jackson.
Oh
And
no.
she's like, who the fuck fucked up my playlist? It was Oh man.
All right, Colton, let me see this comment.
Bum, bum, bum.
All right, let me know who you need for on mine that commented on mine.
What's the link again, Rams? For the comment picker.
Wow. Who's tanning Love Stegan? Who's that? Who's Tegan?
Has that been 5 minutes now?
Yeah, I think so.
Who's Tegan? Who's talk shit, huh?
All right, do you need a list of the people that just commented on mine? I don't know how to. I don't
No,
know.
we're using a link that will automatically grab everyone.
Oh, perfect.
So if they're not here, then obviously they can't win. But for the people that are here, we'll just keep running it until one of you guys say, "That's me."
Yo, do you know Tegan?
Chrissy Teigen.
No.
Okay, then why you ask?
User, is this your fake account where you pretend to be a woman? This comment. Prop Up has been the best Discord I've ever been a part of. Sportsman69 wants to make sure we know his username.
Grab this link, post it.
Wait, did you start like a 5-minute timer or something? Or
It's been 5 minutes.
oh, let's extend it 1 more minute.
Okay.
Extendo
It's
clip.
been extended. It's been extended. W stream though.
W stream, dude. That was fun. It was a good stream. We crushed it.
Mm-hmm.
Even though I
You
got raped
Tanner?
on Vanquish,
Pulling up?
unfortunately. But it's okay.
It's all good. I have a hard time finding them on Instagram. I typed the ats in chat. Here, I'll put emojis on them. That's for Aces Page and Mr. Strong Trader. Please don't start. My kids finally stopped singing Human Nature. Dude, we were for like a month straight on the Discord. We were just, why? Why?
Has that been a minute?
Fuck it. It's been a minute. Grab the
Cool.
names.
And scan. Beep beep boop 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 boop.
Beep, beep, boop, 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 boop.
Find winner, one winner. Beep beep boop 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 boop.
Screen sharing it. Oh, shit.
Boom! Congratulations. Here are the winners. Scrolling down.
But it has to be someone recent.
Boom.
Grabbing all of them.
That's why they have to be in the Discord.
Mm-mm.
See what I mean?
Who won?
I probably think your mom's a MILF has won.
Who's that?
I fucking hate you guys.
User, stop lying. Whoever that is,
I hate
DM
you guys.
DM Ace on Instagram and say what your Discord name is.
Yeah.
And you have 5 minutes.
Okay, send the screenshot then. And if you're lying, we're,
Yeah, prove
we're
it.
banning you.
Prove it. And if you're lying, you get banned.
How about
Prove
this? If you're lying, I will grab your information from WAP and dox you in front of everyone right now. Oh shit! It is not available.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not available, or is it user?
Well, their username is not available.
Is he even here? Not available is not even here.
Yeah, but look at even on what's it fucking on this just DM me. How about that?
Dance. User said check your DMs.
Hi AC Poo, it's user. No, it's user. Not available is from before I got here. It's user.
Is it actually user?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
it's
Rigged.
user.
Rigged.
Rigged.
All right. Is going to be Tanner's. Let me hop on his Instagram, grab the link. And then from there, that is the last giveaway. And you guys can all go twiddle your thumbs for the rest of the weekend until you guys have your DGen moment for Monday when you guys get to trade again.
Exactly.
And next week is FOMC.
Man, next week's news is ridiculous.
Yeah, don't we have like a lot? What do we have next week? A lot of shit.
Bro,
huh?
it's stupid. Literally every single day
I'll
other than
send
No
it.
News Monday.
Sending it in the chat. That's what we have next week.
FOMC, GDP.
You guys can see my screen. This one's for Tanner's video. Scanning, beep beep, boop, 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 using AI. Find winners. Boom. Congratulations to. Please say ace. Please say ace. That would be fucking hilarious. Register to see more.
Oh,
All right.
cocked.
And let's
Cocked.
go on incognito. Let's go on.
Damn. You know what's crazy? Whoever's name is behind that now definitely did not
Oh,
win.
Man,
That's
that's
crazy.
hilarious, bro.
That sucks. All right, let's go on incognito and try to run this again. Look at that candle.
Bumping. For real, for real.
Ripper,
Find
dude. just
winners?
Full
Beep,
reversal.
beep, boop, boop, boop. Winners are determining. Congratulations. Here are the winners. Bang. Chart bound. Are you here, chart bound? Are you here, chart bound?
Don't lie, or you're banned. Actually, no. Don't lie, or you get doxxed.
Stockavelli, there's no
Wait,
way
really?
you've won 3 giveaways this week.
This guy wins everything.
There's no shot. Prove it right now. DM me, take a screenshot of the DM and post it in here. It's the only way I'll believe you.
This
And
guy
you
keeps
have
winning.
4 seconds to do it.
3, 2, 1.
That is insane, though. Say swear that's you.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Guys, we've given away, what, 13 accounts today?
Mm-hmm.
Wild. Another one bites. Another one bites.
Du-du-dum. We are ripping. We are
Stockavelli.
ripping. Oh my god, it is Stockavelli. That's
Yep.
crazy. All right, open up a ticket.
open up a ticket.
Congratulations.
Congrats to all of the winners. I'll get to you guys right after I end this stream. Shout out Tanner. Make sure you guys are following him. What an absolute banger. What a beauty. Look at that mustache. I wish I could sit on it. But nonetheless, guys, make sure you guys are following Tanner. Make sure you use code STRONG and code PHUB upon checkouts. Always, it will always give you guys the best discount. And I hope you guys have a good weekend.
Oh, real quick. Also, remember, guys, we are running a charity
yes.
for ALS. Make sure to check announcements. Go to the link. You don't have to donate a lot, but even if you throw in a nice little $2, $3, $5,
Everything
whatever it
helps.
is, everything counts. Our last charity was pretty good, pretty successful for sick kids. And obviously, we made the video, and it was fun to go give that money in person. This charity is probably going to run for a month or so, depending on how it goes.
We'll run
So
until
if
my
you wanna
birthday.
donate, there you go. We're going to run it till his birthday, and then his birthday gift to the world will be donating to ALS.
Literally. That's why I want to make a video on it.
Yeah, it's gonna be banger. And yeah, W stream. Tanner, do you have any parting words?
Lift heavy, train hard. Lift heavy, train hard.
And stay hard.
And stay
Yeah.
hard. And stay
If you
hard.
guys blast 5 cc's of test every single day.
That would be so much. It's like 1,000 milligrams.
Oh man. Anyways, we
Oh,
love
my
y'all.
gosh.
Have a good weekend. Tanner, thanks for joining us. You
Yeah, that was
absolutely
super fun,
did
guys.
great.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
run it back soon, and let's figure out
Oh.
something where we can work together. But other than
We
that,
will.
I love y'all.
We'll chat.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Peace,
Later,
guys.
guys. Peace.
Later.